Network Entertainment.
Hello! Welcome!
Wakididu.
Wakididu.
Yun.
Hindi mo na daw sinasabi yung wakididu.
Parati ko na sinasabi yun.
Hindi mo sinasabi at all. Ang dami nagagalit.
Talaga?
Oo.
Sa
He
comment?
brings it on.
May
tapos hindi mo pina-follow through, pare. Asan yung
BMTD
commitment?
pare. BMTD pare.
BMTD yung pinapauso niya ngayon.
Yes.
Yeah. Si Judd.
Bago matulog.
Till death pare.
Till death. Sobrang ano.
Yeah.
Kung nanonood kayo ng video and you
Oh,
hear the voice, a very konyo,
Sexy voice.
boyish, sexy voice. Sige.
Like yung voice na, it's a voice na parating binubuli nung high school.
Oo nga. Judd Gregorio has
Yes.
made it to the Bago Matulog studio.
The new Bago
The new
Matulog.
Bago Matulog studio. Kitang-kita. Nasa likod sila ng cabinet.
Dapat
In this
hindi pa
white void.
Yeah.
Pag binuksan mo yun, puro action figures yun. Tsaka tinump yung mga ayaw ni Kate sa apartment ko. So, yeah.
Giving partially furnished on RentPad.
Yes. Totoo. It is partially furnished on RentPad vibe. Yun yung kinukuha namin ano eh. Kasi gusto namin, like, hindi naman kami nag-record everyday. So baka may tenants dyan na gusto matulog sa studio namin. We'll give you very cheap rent.
A.K.A.
Or,
Andren.
Tapos ang daming amenities, di ba?
or if you want to use this studio pare, you can just
No.
no.
Ayoko. Ba't ka nag-open up ng... Pinag-usapan pa rin itong business decision na to? On what?
On air
On what
pa.
equity do you have na naggumawa ka ng business decision na
Alam mo ba ako yung nagdala dito ng lights?
siya nga nagbuhat nung ibang... Pare, binuhat ko yung mga upuan dito mag-isa, pare.
Dude,
Puta.
nagbuhat ako table tapos nakipag-away pa si Red sa guard nun eh. Kung
Mom,
saan dati
Dad.
yung putang ilang table.
Ayaw
na
kasi ilusot, andun eh.
Mom, Dad, stop fighting!
Sabi ko parang 5 steps na lang. Ayaw
Oh,
pa tayo
nandun na
papasukin.
tao.
Di ba?
Oh,
Di ba
nandun na ako.
nakakairita? Pero sige, fine.
Fine.
May proseso, sir eh. Hindi sige, proseso mo to. Sabi ko.
Tapos pinakita niya yung bayag niya.
Tinakita ko yung bayag ko, tapos nag-kiss kami after.
Alright.
Ayan. So,
Like,
kamusta,
yung
Jad?
kiss
Jad, do you
na-
like, kamusta? Pagpasok mo, anong vibe na feel mo?
Oh, grabe. Like, as soon as Andren opened the door, parang he offered refreshment.
Oo.
As he slammed the door in my
Yun nga
face.
yung nakakatawa din. sabi ko sa kanya, buksan mo yung mga bisita natin. Tapos binuksan niya lang, gano'n niya. Binitawan niya agad yung pintuan.
He was too in a rush to get the refreshments.
Okay.
He
And
was
it's not
focused. He was focused.
Eh, nakabukas na eh. Anong gagawin? Hintay niyo ulit sumara? Come on, man. Come on, man.
Pero,
To do some of the work, yeah.
pero if you let people in, bubuksan mo until makapasok sila, tsaka mo sasara. Hindi yung tipong, tas iwan mo lang
I was
agad.
giving them waters kasi rin.
Yeah.
We can do that after, pare. Hindi naman kailangan anyway, sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Instead of seeing a welcoming
Wala kaming
face.
hospitality person eh. Wala kaming,
Or Jud, late ka nga eh. Puta.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa!
Alam mo,
It's the traffic.
next time gusto kong gawin, yung mga tubig natin, meron mga cucumber.
I hate cucumber.
Alam mo
water.
yung the other guys.
Yes.
Yung every time pumunta sila rin sa guy na mayaman na pinaghihinalaan nilang scammer and shit like that.
Yeah.
Tapos parang siyang sinaserve ng glacier waters.
Oo.
Tapos parang, the cucumber accents to the glacier water. Parang ganun. Yun yung dream ko. Pero ngayon, stuck kayo sa like bottled water.
Yeah, really good
But
bottled
it's
water.
Wilkins
Water.
water.
Oh, Wilkins Water. Na hindi tayo sponsored, by the way. Sana sponsoran tayo.
Yeah.
Next time, Andren should be like in a butler's outfit. Tapos may tray.
That's a lot of work, Jud.
That's a lot of work dyan. Sobra naman
To
yun.
do a podcast.
Oo nga.
It took a lot to get him into this.
Naka-polo nga siya ngayon. Tingnan mo naman, naka-button shirt. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya naglalaba.
Yes.
Yung mga Iron Maiden shirt ay nasa hamper pa.
Yes.
Yun naman
I have fun doing laundry.
Ay,
Oh,
ikaw ba
hey.
nagkusot? Gano'n?
Ay, hindi. Washing, like may laundromat doon. Tas,
Eh, ba't di mo ginagawa?
ha?
What's the fun part?
Well, hinihintay ko muna.
doing that?
May aircon kasi doon eh. At walang aircon sa apartment na.
Di ba sinabi mo parang yung laundromat niya nagsaserve ng pale pills?
Dude, may naisip nga akong business idea. Laundromat na nagsiserve nga ng Pilsen, pare.
No.
It's called wash and drink, pare.
Hindi creative at all.
I was expecting
Hindi
something.
siya- Wala siyang...
Kasi kadalasan
creativity.
maghihintay ka ng 30 minutes for wash, 30 minutes for drying. So ano yung perfect na gawin sa isang oras na gano'n, pare?
Manood
Six-
ng TED Talks. Makinig ng
Answering
self-help book.
email.
Oo.
Self-help audiobook. Organize
Tas,
mo email
a
mo.
nice six-pack, pare. Pale Pilsen.
Tingnan mo ang dami mong downtime, wala kang ginagawa. Post ka ng content, mga ganun.
Oh, ang dami. Dude, everyday na ako nagpo-post.
Tingnan mo.
That's true.
Pag nagpo-post siya ng content, winawagwag niya yun as if parang, tingnan mo, napakagaling ko, mag-post ako ng content. Sisipagin ka lang ngayon, tapos next week wala na
Hindi,
naman.
dude. 2 weeks na.
my
dire-diretso.
2 weeks na ba dire-diretso?
Oo.
Okay. Sorry, Jad, nag-ano kami.
Airing out.
Nag-decompress kami.
Ba't di ka mag-post ng content, Jad?
Oo nga, Jad. Hindi ka
I
nagpo-post
want
ng-
to
Oh,
grab
it's
it.
me, the Konyo Skeleton.
Yeah. People miss that series nga.
Hindi, Joe, may
Meron ba?
Hindi, may series si Jad. Nung pandemic, kasi alam mo naman, wala tayong trabaho. Joke of the day. Every day may
Oh
joke
my
siya.
God. you
Yeah.
remember that?
You should do that now.
I tried doing
That's a
it
good
every
writing
day.
exercise.
Yeah, di ba copywriter? Why don't you fucking...
Ako hindi ko siya, I didn't think any, like, even though na yung mga ibang joke of the day mo was like really terrible
And bad.
and bad.
And
Pero,
horrendous.
I
Boring.
said, that's the process, pare.
Oh.
You have to go through all that. I wish I wrote a joke every day, di ba?
Kaya nga trial and error eh.
Yeah.
Hindi siya trial and success.
Oo. Hindi siya.
Hindi.
Tama ka naman. Tama ka pero nakakaburat yung sinabi mo eh. Alam mo yun? Parang tama ka pero ano mo yun?
That was better than wash and drink. Or what was that?
Oh, ano yun? Ano yun? Drink and wash? Ano
Drink
ba?
and wash, pare.
Di mo lang wash.
Una yung drink eh.
Tapos naging inuman place lang, wala na.
Wala na kwenta eh. Inuupa na lang yung mga washing machine. Mura kasi fail dito eh.
70 pesos lang. Hindi, dapat mas mataas ng mga 20 pesos yung mga beer doon. Para...
Usually naman eh. Di ba? Fuck. Ano ba? Hindi pa tayo nag-OBB. Anong pag-usapan natin po? Tayo
Yes.
Birthday? Birthdays o birthday mo lang?
Birthdays in general.
Birthday. As time of recording ngayon, birthday ni Victor ngayon. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Pero
Victor.
belated na yan by the time na... inaano na.
Comedy Manila's dirty little secret.
Oh, man.
The Murder King, pare.
But, grabe.
Sobrang sip.
Damn! Oh,
Get it?
That's a nickname, pare. Ano yung nickname mo? Pare, the Murder King. Pag hindi nila gets yung
term,
stand-up terms, hindi siya mag-translate eh.
Or if they don't know na Burger King endorser siya dati.
Ganun ba? Kaya Burger King, tas
the-
Murder King. That's so stupid.
Murder King from Burger King, pare.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Wow.
So, birthdays pag-usapan natin. Ba't natin
Yeah.
pinili itong ano na to?
Kasi
Kasi
malapit lang birthday ni Judd.
magbe-birthday show siya.
Yes, thank you.
You'll
guys.
do a solo special to kind of like celebrate that. Tama ba?
It's gonna be actually a special with my friends. So actually, it's called Judd Gregorio and Friends present Birthday Man. Because I'm no longer a birthday boy, guys. I'm old na.
How old are you?
I don't want to say. Baka
Sabihin mo na putang ina.
Baka it'll give off my birthday details.
Ang sarap mo minsan karate chop sa Adam sa Apple. Eh. Simpleng tanong lang. Eh. Oh, hindi because
I don't want to reveal eh.
the chicks might not like me anymore. Eh.
Bakit? Why wouldn't you think it would be a terrible... Di ka na titignan as a boy? Ganun?
Oh, what do you mean?
Like, why do you want yung... Ayaw mo
Calling
reveal
it-
yung age mo?
No, I'm data privacy. Baka they'll find out when I was exactly born and they'll steal my identity. And
There's a lot of people who were born in the same year as
Oo
me,
nga,
Judd.
oo nga. For sure.
but okay, fine. I'm turning
Mas significantly
30.
mas may pera. Turning 30?
Yeah, that's why.
Grabe, time flies, pare. Dati, ano ka lang, 4 years old ka lang dati.
Oo.
Exactly,
Ganun ka
26 years old.
Ganun ka lang
26
kalaki
years ago.
dati. Eh.
Ganyan kalaki dati, pare.
Wait, that 4 years. Fun fact. 4 years was exactly when my dad left me. And now for the
That is fun.
unnecessary
Sobrang nakakatawa
OBB.
yun.
I think it was fun for him.
Well, on that note, we'll talk about birthdays right after this very unnecessary OBB. Yun. Oh, we're back. We're back.
We're back.
Nakita na ni Ali yung na
So when your
Yung
dad
live band.
walang real life na OBB na.
So when your dad left you, Judd.
Teka naman, pinag-uusapan kami dito, sir. Sorry po, ha.
Hindi kasi mas
Sobrang nagmamadali ka eh, ha.
ang juicy kasi.
We have a fucking hour to fill.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Yeah.
Fine.
And I have more thoughts on the wash and drink thing.
Oo nga eh. So, ano, what are the thoughts?
Why not, pare? Washed and wasted.
Oo nga, ganda nga,
it's-
ganda nga nun.
No.
You can have that for
Ito.
free.
Kasi pwede ka naman uminom lang, hindi ka mapaka-wasted.
It leaves a negative connotation drinking while wasted.
Wow!
So,
I don't
it needs
know.
to be-
I think you gotta start to see na drinking is quite negative, lalo na sa buhay mo.
Hindi,
Diba?
I mean, controlled, yes.
Okay.
Pag hindi,
Anong
Double
controlled,
waste.
Andren?
mga 6 na Red Horse.
Mga tipong naka-12 na beer ka sa
Yan,
wrestling
yung
show.
sobra- yun
2 p.m. pare. 2 p.m. Nakita mo si Andren.
Sige.
Kasi umattend siya ng FPW show.
You're welcome.
Tapos, libre, excuse me.
Oh, so I thought, hindi kasi libre. I thought, nakakaya naman kay Red. Let me buy
11 beers.
11 beers.
Wait,
At 2 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon.
because you were bred by Red. So parang,
Nilibre ako ni
I have
Red.
spending
Ganito
power
yung,
now.
ganito yung nangyari. Sabi ko sa kanya, Andren, may gagawin ka bukas. Wala. Like buong araw. Wala akong gagawin. Saan ka? Nasa bahay ka lang. Nasa bahay lang ako. Hindi pwede ka manood ng FPW. Sabi ko sa kanya.
Na-bait
Tapos
ako.
sabi niya, hindi, wala akong pera eh. Sabi ko, hindi, nag-guest list kita. Ganyan. Tapos pagdating niya nun, gumasto siya ng 11 na beers, which is at like, 80 pesos each?
100.
100 pesos each? Tangina, mas malaki pa yung ginastos mo eventually, di ba? Kung bumili kang ticket, natulungan mo pa kami, di ba?
At hindi pa ako uminom ng 2
Nung
p.m.
onsing, puta ina.
You'd have helped your kidneys.
But I had so much fun, Red, and in the end, that's all that matters.
Totoo naman.
Like drinking, pare, even though may namatay na brain cells.
Feeling ko,
Nasagasaan na bata.
nag-worry si Dex Concha nun sa...
Actually,
Kasi siya lang yung mag-assist sa'yo kung na-wasted ka dun.
dude, yung pang 11 ko na beer, inisip ko, shit, pwede na akong maging pabigat sa kanila.
Bring on the 12.
Oo.
The 12.
Dumadaan siya in front of the commentator's table, which is nandun kami. Tapos every time na dumaan siya, pagbalik niya, may 3 siyang beer na hawak. Kasi nandun yung concessions. Tapos si Poch tumitingin parang, is he okay?
Are you okay, Andren?
Oh,
Isa,
are you okay?
isa
Okay
na
lang
lang
ba?
isa na lang tatalon na ako sa ring nun.
Yung mga ganong levels doon. Tapos nakahubad.
Parang yung kuwari sa ECW, nakikita ko yung fans doon. Puta, dalawang shot na lang to, puta tatalon na yung mga ito sa ring.
Wala pa naman kaming barikada at all.
Wala. Pero again, not to plug FPW, but sobrang ganda ng community, sobrang masaya manood ng show. Kaya guys, watch FPW.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay.
I got somber. If he did jump into the ring, what would you have done? Let it?
May bounces. Maupahan ka ng bounces.
You wouldn't have
May
let
isa
it
nga
na lang?
nag-try di ba? Parang may nag-hekel. Tapos parang sinasagot siya ni Tiago na parang, "Tiga, pumasok ka dito." Parang gano'n. Knowing syempre si Tiago, alam niya na hindi naman siguro
He was
papasok
hammered
to.
too, by the way.
Sino? Yung guy na yun.
Yeah.
So pumasok siya sa yung isang security namin parang tumitingin sa akin na parang,
Part ba to ng show?
part ba to ng show? Google Ping ko itong tawag. So parang, wait lang, wag mo gulpihin. Mo lang, tabigin mo lang. Parang gano'ng klase. Kasi puta, na siya, handa na siya eh. Pati yung mga ibang, young boys namin.
So, nakita ko yung same security guard na yun sa Mouse. And may
that
nagdala ng hidden weapon dun sa Mouse.
Oh,
And binigusan niya.
Talaga?
Sorry.
Feeling ko parang yun yung mga guys na, please give me a reason. Nagamitin ko itong training ko.
Sorry, what's Binigwasan?
Binigwasan ng ina. Totoo ba?
Sinapak.
Sinapakan. Binigyan. Sinapak.
Like paano? Like multiple shots until he
Dude,
fell down?
nag-crumple agad yung guy.
Na talaga, isa lang.
Yeah, so lang.
Solid.
The guy looks scary. Fucking
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Yeah.
Malalaki
see
yung
that
mga
guy.
yun.
malalaki.
Sila
Mas
Cho.
malaki nga sa
Oo.
wrestlers.
Malaki sila, dude. So, yun. Ayun. Ano pag-usapan?
Birthdays.
Wait, what were you asking me before he
Yung tatay mo.
interrupted? He interrupted me about the tatay, but you were talking about
I was
something
talking
else.
about na nakita na ni Ali na yung walang magic of editing here.
Yes, that's right, guys. My Bebe Loves is right
Oh
there.
my God. Bebe loves me.
Sitting in the couch over there.
Yung tawag, yung real
I
Bebe
love you,
Loves.
baby.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, my girlfriend Ali's over there.
Uh,
Which is funny because like the last time
so,
I was
mama,
here.
magkasama ba kayo or parang ginawa niyo siyang parang, you know what, mag-date tayo sa studio? Ganong klase. Is that the
Oh yeah,
plan?
this seems so fun, pare. if
Oh
you're a
nga, this
girl,
seems
pare.
so fun, pare. Tara, punta tayo sa isang random cramped apartment na
That's how much I think now you guys are such a fun time now. It's like, Ali, tag along, hang out, it's gonna be fun. And
pasok
Alam
ka
mo, ikaw
dito.
lang nag-iisip nun kasi there are people.
Wala kaming basurahan, by the way. Flush everything down the toilet, pare.
yeah, flush shit on the toilet kanina.
Ano?
There are people kasi who bring their significant others here sometimes.
Okay.
And they all just like in their phone. It's not a fun time, pare.
Hindi talaga. It's an hour and a half.
Oo.
Tapos,
Nakaupo ka lang.
Kupo ka lang.
Or we should check in on Ali every. She's like, go,
Tapos
no,
ngayon,
no.
conscious siya kasi
Oo.
parang we're checking in.
Okay,
on you every
sorry,
time.
babe. Never mind. Just
Kasi that's
enjoy
good
over there.
content. If talking to someone off screen and not on the camera
Hindi
or in
nag-gets ng mga
mic.
tao. Okay.
But
Okay, alam mo, pag-usapan yung topic.
Birthdays.
Birthday.
Sobrang hindi pa tayo nagsasalita.
Kasi na mo fourth birthday ka iniwan ng tatay mo. Totoo ba?
Yes. No, not the birthday mismo, but I was 4 years old when
Damn.
when he left.
Sobrang
So-
grabe nun eh. I don't know. My parents are complete. I don't know what that...
You too,
It's
right?
like,
Wait, no. You're
Oh,
not.
my dad, they divorced noong grade
Sila nag-divorce,
6.
nag-iwalay sila.
Naghiwalay pala sila noong
Walang
grade
divorce sa Pilipinas kasi
Yes.
ewan ko.
6. Ewan ko, naghiwalay sila grade 6 ako.
Okay. Medyo older ka na. So my trauma's better than yours. We're not there.
Ito, puro ka reklamo. Ito ka 4 years old eh.
Wala pang grade 1 ata eh.
Oo nga eh.
So, nung umalis yung tatay mo, sino mas masaya? Yung nanay mo, tatay mo?
Oh, fuck. Well, my mom was left with the burden. Not naman burden, but the weight
The
of...
burden.
Wait. Ben. So talagang iwan-iwan talaga?
The
So,
weight
like
of-
in the night? Ganong klase?
You heard the tire tracks. Yung,
Wow, I didn't think we'd start off this way.
Wag na.
No,
Wag
we
na.
can.
Wag na.
wait.
You know, I don't want to uncover
We
that.
can.
Wait,
we
you
can.
know what?
Hindi ako equipped
It's
for
his
that.
fault. He fucking brought it up. You
nga.
brought it up.
Actually, I realized.
Pwede naman natin hindi pag-usapan.
Yeah.
yun.
Let's save that
For
for
Patreon or something.
Patreon.
Wag na. Puta.
Patreon ba kayo?
Wala.
Now we will.
Now we will. Just for that one episode
One
na
term.
pinag-usapan mo yung tatay mo.
Sige. Pivot.
Okay. Birthday, pare.
Birthday.
So, gagawa ka ng show kasi birthday mo.
Yes.
Gusto mo, how many years in the comedy
Oh,
scene ka
wow.
na ba?
By the way, I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me to
Just fucking answer the
to
question.
talk about my show. Dude,
Sobrang polite, di ba?
Sobrang showbiz. Salamat Kuya
Salamat
Baboy
po.
Abunda.
First of all po, thank you for having me. Tsaka lahat po ng audience dito, salamat po. Dito po kayo lahat, salamat po talaga. Salamat po talaga.
Please don't leave me like my dad did.
that's the internal monologue. I started first open mic 2017. You were there. It was in
Moe's?
open show mic Moe's.
Yeah.
But I was like on and off for a lot of years.
Yeah, but that's still 8 years ago. Diba?
Damn, man.
Tagal na, no?
2017. Yeah.
Tapos
dude.
ngayon, you're doing your show
show and then
on your
it's-
8th year, I would say. No?
ah
Tama, diba? 8 years as a comedian.
if I were to take out the times I like stopped, baka 5th lang in terms of active
Oh,
time.
it's not- I mean, in the long run, bro, pag gagawin mo yung technical yung ganyan, yun na yun.
Tomato,
Sige.
tomato.
Tomato, pare. So, 8 year mo.
8
cut.
years.
CapCut, what?
Sorry.
What? Sobrang po.
You mean Kit
Buti na lang
Kat?
may outsider na na-realize na bobo yung mga sinasabi. Kasi sabi ng mga
She
tao
thinks I'm
na...
smart.
Hindi. Natawa siya to the point na
pick up.
nabighani siya sa katangahan mo. Ganong klaseng type of... Then, sa people can be that stupid type of laughter. Yan. Parang ganun. CapCut?
That's not very nice, Red.
It's not very
Ba't ba sinabi yung
improbable.
CapCut?
Parang diba tomato. I was trying to make a joke na parang malayo. You don't pronounce cat. Tas na cat. Parang cat.
Like,
Parang yun.
Akala
I thought
namin
Cap.
CapCut. Sorry.
Oh, I thought
My bad.
Cap.
I thought it was CapCut.
Yeah, sorry.
Kala ko yung up na CapCut.
So, na-derail na naman tayo. Ano yung original topic? Na?
birthday.
birthday.
Ayun, so this is gonna be, I decided, all right,
Alam mo kung pina-explain natin yung pinag-greet natin siya na thank you very much.
Oo.
Tapos, after that, sinagot niya yung question.
Oo.
Hindi. Ginago natin siya. Hindi pa niya nasagot yung question.
Oh,
ngayon.
sorry.
Okay.
Alright.
Sige, dyan. Go.
so I finally thought, okay, I'm turning the big 3. Oh no.
Okay.
See what I did there? So I said, might as well, dude.
Sobrang
Take a
regret
risk.
ko tayo episode na to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a
Tapos,
John Gregory episode of that regret.
tapos,
So I thought, well, I might as well do this. I think I'm gonna need a little help from my friends. A lot of help. Original line, by the way.
Sana lasunin nila yung cake.
may sinushuin siya na spill eh. Nakakainis eh. Okay.
Oh,
Tapos.
hindi to client presentation.
Tapos.
So I thought, shit, okay, I'll do stand-up. I feel like I can only do 30, to be honest.
That's not bad.
I mean,
not bad.
sorry, not only. It's gonna be the best 30
Yeah.
that I can do. But I thought, okay, I want my friends to be on the lineup from stand-up. And I also want to show...
Sorry, dalawa lang mag-o.
Yeah. Yes. All 2 of them.
Okay, tapos
Then
mag-improv din
I
kayo.
want to do improv too because I gotta fill up the time. I only have 2 friends. No, because a part of my 8-year journey is I also studied improv, performed improv. So I want that to be part then. And yeah, I don't know how much I can spoil right now because the
Wow.
line.
Oh, this mega event.
May mga may tierings of release ba to?
Oh, okay.
May release schedule ba tong information na to?
Oh, this mega event of the year. It's twice Le Seraphim and you, pare.
May tatlong teasers bago niya i-reveal yung fucking poster.
Yung fucking unang...
Pero alam mo, honestly, buti nga, more people should fucking promote their shows that way.
Like yung may video si Jed blowing out the candle.
Tapos magiging black. That's pretty cool. Ako nakakasar ako dun.
I think
Hell
that's
yeah.
I think my girlfriend pushed me to
Yeah.
Hopefully off a cliff.
Okay. Alright. She's laughing at that. What the fuck?
Pero yun nga.
Wait, what are we talking about? Improv?
Improv.
Ah, no, yeah.
May improv na.
Maybe who knows? Maybe I'll reveal one surprise or secret on this.
This is gonna be
podcast.
released next week. Like exactly next week. So
as
by
in-
Thursday next week. So
Maybe
in
the
6 days.
poster we'll see.
Hindi mo ba out yung poster?
I'm gonna release another poster next
Oh,
week.
fuck.
Revealing the lineup.
So may lineup reveal.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And what was I gonna say? Can I just say this is the funniest thing? I feel like this is the only podcast where I'm invited. You guys invited me to promote my show, only for you guys to shit on it and make fun
What are you talking
of
about?
Wala nang ibang magawa dyan.
it. This wouldn't have happened to if you invited.
Sa di mo seryosoan ka ng Cool Pals?
Oo nga.
Pag nag-guest ka
tingin mo.
nun.
Sinabi mong, meron akong release schedule eh.
Oh.
Tapos sabihan ka lang ng release schedule. Tapos
Mangyayari to, konyo episode yan, pare.
uutang ka lang ni Rems, ganong klase.
Kaya ka pa talagang magsalita dyan.
nga.
Mga ganun.
Mm.
Kami nire-respeto ka namin.
Oo, pare.
Ginagas.
You guys are my real friends.
Kami lang yung naniniwala sa'yo dyan.
August 23,
August 23 in Makati, Unwind Boutique Hotel.
I was saying na I wanna attend. Pero may show ako. May show tayo.
Ako sa linya-linya
Yeah,
to.
linya-linya. We have a linya.
Wow,
show.
very convenient.
Wala pang poster yun. Pero
Yes.
we freely say it, pare. Hindi naman siya parang secret of the fucking, alam mo yun, hindi siya parang,
Secret show. Tapos sirat na ka ganun.
Ganang klaseng type na ano.
What's some exciting Easter egg that I can...
Wala ka bang pwedeng i-reveal sa putang inang platform na to?
Sige.
You share the same platform as Lenny Robredo did,
Oh
pare.
yeah. You
Ha?
guys would never make fun of Lenny.
Exactly. Hindi, actually,
And her posters
actually, inawi ko siya.
Oo.
Sabi ko,
off screen.
sinabi ko, bakit ang pangit ng kulay ng campaign mo?
Out of all the other colors, pink. But pink,
But pink yung
sinakal ni Red.
Tapos sinakal ko siya.
Okay,
What did you suggest ba?
Joke lang yan.
Joke lang yun.
Obviously a joke. Ano, what do you mean?
What did you suggest? Dapat chrome silver yung color niya. Like pink.
Actually, I think that would be better. Like kung chrome, feeling ko nanalo tayo pag silver yung ano.
Oo.
Angas nun, no? Like shiny yung
May
outfit
silver
niya.
lining ang bukas.
Oh, ganda nun actually. Totoo. May ano ka ba? Nagbumoto ba si Lenny?
Yeah.
Okay lang naman.
I like how I answered that really quick. Yeah, I did.
Ang bilis eh. Si Andren kasi hindi bumoto eh.
Ping Lacson yung binoto ko. Para kay Ping.
Para wala pa ako kilalang bumoto.
Sikat siya sa Cavite.
Very
Talaga.
quirky vote. Ano yung
Quirky vote.
ano yung lines niya? Like ano yung slogan niya? Si Ping Lacson.
Wala eh. Hindi ko talaga siya binoto. Binoto ko si Lenny dyan.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Ano?
Thought you were gonna create a
Putang
line.
na sobrang derail na naman.
So the show. Maybe I'll reveal something at the end of the episode.
Tangina,
To
sabihin
let
mo na. Okay, sige,
let the
fine.
listeners
Sige, okay.
fast
Alam mo,
forward.
when you reveal it by the end of the episode, nagde-dip yan
Yung
listenership
retention
niya.
rate.
Oo.
Sige. That's a good one.
Okay na, sige, fine. Basta may show ka.
Yeah, and I will be headlining. So the half of it will be stand-up. I'll be headlining that part. And then half of it will be improv. And I'll be headlining that too. How will I do that? Find out.
I mean, you could do a set one at a time, di ba?
Huh?
Is there any other way to do it?
Okay, fine. Wasn't that?
How will Judd do it? Well, do the improv first and stand-up later.
Or will I do it vice versa?
Uso yan ngayon, no? Yung mga nag-double performance. Si Ansis din yung
Yep.
special niya.
I actually,
And Baus and Isa do that.
Baus and Isa din.
I owe it to Ansis. I actually got inspired by his parang model or how he designs his shows. Kasi I opened for
So
him.
sinabi mo, ito yung ginagawa ng mga bading. The straights can do it better. Tama ba?
Tama.
Yung sinabi ni Judd.
It's
Judd.
Guys, I can't take all the credit. straight.
Okay. Pero tama, they've been very successful with that too.
Yeah. Why'd you say it like that? They.
Because they're 3 people, Judd. and
very good.
coincidentally, baka yun yung pronouns ng isa. Yan.
Oo.
Why is that? Ba't siya nakakatawa
It's called
No,
promo.
I
Oh,
like
it's a
how you made it so smooth.
Pare, tangina pare. Ako,
That's why
hari
you're-
ng crowd work, pare. Oh, king crowd work here.
I'm more of a Micah Andres kind of guy.
Umalis ka na, umalis ka na.
Joke lang. No. We love you, Mike.
Okay. Sobrang chaotic na episode na to.
Oo. May
Kasi,
ADHD ka din, hindi?
may ADHD ka ba?
Feel ko undiagnosed.
We ask you a question, you answer a different question.
Oo nga eh.
Like sinabi,
Ilan na Jad, ano yung show mo? Birthday show. Thank you nga pala sa pag-invite sa akin.
Going back to Ansis, yun, I opened for him once.
I heard it was a really good show.
And yeah, it was a brick wall. It was really great. And then I learned now. Okay, he did the first part, puro stand up. Then the next part, he had an improv group, see skipping improv. And then he headlined the stand up part. And then the next half, the improv part, he headlined it as auntie. So parang, wow, damn, man.
So nag-improv siya as auntie? Or nag-stand up siya as auntie?
Actually, it's more stand up. May written material siya as auntie.
Tas ano daw, di ba? Parang heartwarming daw.
Yeah, that's the cool thing too.
I can never do that.
May kurot pare, may kurot.
Yun yung,
yung ending with the message.
hindi naman ending with a message, pero more of like open up that way. Alam mo yun? Like, hindi ako umiyak baka akala may napuwing lang ako.
Sobrang insecure sa masculine.
Kasi baka may inisip niya, naging seryoso rin, ginawa niya yung mata ko. Hindi, okay.
Malala ako umiyak mga yan, pare.
Hindi ako umiyak.
Sobrang na-conscious.
Kumati lang yung mata
Pati
ko.
huwag mo i-address.
Timing eh. Baka akalain nyo umiyak ako or something.
Anyway, I'm deaf now from the headset. With all
Pag
the shouting.
alam mo nakakatawa, tumitingin ko sa screen, baka di pa na tayo nagre-record. Ano yung sabi ko?
It's okay, we barely broke through the surface of this topic.
Yung hindi ko kayang,
Yeah.
like I can be personal with my comedy.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ko kaya yung mag-open up ako that way of something really, really fucking touchy. Like being, it's about like being accepted by your parents, diba? Or something like that. I heard yun yung case.
Yun, yeah, you for Ansis. Not to spoil, but something like that.
Pero if it hits close to home, you can end naman. Like yung parang kay Mike Mike Birbiglia, yung Sleepwalk with Me. It ends with a like heartwarming message din naman.
Even what's it called? Neil Brennan, may isang special siya na
Yeah.
ends just really heavy, man. Pero,
Maraming ganun, like yung kay 100% Fresh din ni Adam Sandler was second to last song niya was about Chris Farley. Tapos the next song niya was about
his wife.
growing old with his family and
And-
with the audience, diba? Parang ganun.
I want to ask Red though, like sabi mo, like you think you can't do it, but do you want to? Like, is that something you wanna try?
No.
Okay, because I'm surprised.
I
'cause-
think people who show their feelings are gay, man.
Whoa.
Joke lang. Ewan ko. Baka masyado akong pinalaking patriarchal to show feelings like that.
Alam ko ba, totoong lalaki si Red eh. No? Wrestling.
Ito wrestling.
Putangin lang comedy.
On my off time, nagtatry ako mag-fix ng kotse
Oo.
with my hands.
he
pare.
built all this.
Yeah,
With his
inassemble
manliness.
namin ito.
I'm a bit well. If I were to say, if I may, out of the absolute mega best, I feel like you have the most capability. Other than weight.
Why'd you say that so slow para makapasok siya? You trying to set it up, pare?
No, I think you have the most capability to go that route because I feel like your comedy has the most I think-
Personal.
Yeah, personal heart, mas heart,
Heart attack.
Heart attack. Yeah, parang you come from the heart with your material.
Pero yun yung tinatry ko kasing i-tightrope when it comes sa comedy ko. Parang, I can be personal pero sa dulo na punchline, kumbaga priority is still the punchline. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Parang hindi ko kaya magsalita ng something na sobrang serious tapos parang papalakpakan kang ganun.
How about topic lang? Parang it's gonna be hella funny but yung topic sobrang
Pero I've
personal.
talked about naman like personal stuff sa topic ko. Like, kasi hindi rin naman ako, like, di naman ako iniwan ng tatay ko or anything. Or di naman ako,
Or
di naman
anything
ako
awesome like
Hindi naman
that.
ako nireject ng magulang ko or anything. Very supportive sila.
Very normie family.
Yes, sorry. Wala akong... Actually, gumawa ako ng stand-up bit before about them not giving me a hard time. Sa parang feeling ko, kung mas less supportive sila, I'd had more of a chip on my shoulder and I'd be more
More
successful.
success.
Pero people don't get that, I guess. Parang you just come off as like ungrateful lang sa mga blessings mo. It's a hard thing to ano. Pero yes, thank you, Judd, for telling me na kaya ko magdrama. And,
You see how Judd flipped the script, pare? The interviewer became the interviewee.
well,
pare.
he is a host din naman. He hosting the Leland Lim podcast. Ano pangalan na? Sorry.
Yeah, then now
The Let Leland and Judd Lim.
let
podcast.
Leland Lim Yeah,
Di
that's
alam.
Sorry, it's been a while since we did it. It's now concluded.
Wala na?
Yeah, we
Oh, I didn't know
wrapped
that.
up at
Ah,
we wrapped up at 40 episodes.
Ah,
And then
okay.
there was like one guy who commented, "Huh? Tapos na? So sad."
Oh, okay. I didn't know na tapos na siya. Akala
Yeah,
ko-
I actually also
nga.
did not know.
I'm sorry, we don't listen
uh,
to it.
We our press releases Leland and I beefed kasi
Did you guys beef? Talaga?
I didn't. The reason is I didn't find him konyo enough.
Ah,
Oh, look at this wrestling angle.
Boo. Boo. Okay. Hindi mo rin pinag-usapan yung birthdays at all.
Yes, let's go back sa birthday.
Was there something na naramdaman mo? You're turning 30 and you feel like parang this is a milestone to be celebrated. Parang ganun ba yung naisip mo? Parang
Definitely.
Talaga?
Definitely.
Because, it's just a round number now. Ganun.
I feel like it comes with a lot of emotions. Parang I feel like I'm deteriorating. Honestly, I feel like yung prime ko was like 25.
Honestly,
And every year afterwards, I'm like getting less awesome or something.
me and Red talked about this. Hindi naman 30s. Late 30s, doon mo na naman.
No, I feel it
Not-
now.
We have an episode that we recorded na kasi we sometimes record like an evergreen episode na
Yeah.
we just release kung
In case na mag-away kami.
mag-away kami or yun nga magkabagyo or hindi kami
Secret
makaano,
files.
yeah, mga ganun. And the topic was about growing old. Tas na-detect namin na parang yun talagang naramdaman mo that you're growing old is not even 30s. 30s, I think 30 meron. Meron pa rin. Like parang 29 to 30 is still like, fuck, it's 30. Parang, alam mo yun.
Yeah.
Pero parang I still felt young 30 to like 33.
Yeah.
Pero
Okay.
sabi, na-pinpoint namin like, mga 34 onwards,
Yeah,
it's
parang-
it's gonna be like, oh, I'm really getting old.
Oh, yeah.
Ito na yun. Parang, it's going na there.
Like, alam mo yung tipong pag natutulog ka, pagising mo may stiff neck ka.
Oh,
Pero
mga
dude,
ganun.
nagka-stiff neck ka dahil natulog ka ng mali.
Yeah.
Mga
I had like a huge like frozen shoulder just because humiga ako ng mali that I had to like get fixed and shit.
Do you guys have a hard time na falling asleep? Because
Yeah.
I
Well, I've had that for a long time, so
Me too.
okay naman.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's like a symptom of aging, but also gray hair. I'm not sure if it's because I'm hella stressed.
You
with
have gray
work.
hair? Talaga?
Some, yeah. It started lang last year. Coincidentally, when I started working in advertising, I don't know if it's age or the work environment.
Parang mabilis ka tumanda sa advertising because you work like extra hours, di ba? So
Yeah, man.
Pero ang maganda naman, like, gray hair represents wisdom naman daw kung lalaki ka.
depende sa tao.
Yeah.
Kung taong grasa yun. Parang we'll be like, tricky tayo ng payo sa taong grasa kasi.
Ready? I
Naka-gray.
don't think wala nang kinalaman sa buhok mo. Kung ba't mo siya lalapitan?
Pero
Baka kasi kumakain siya ng basura, kaya hindi mo siya lalapitan.
you're killing Red, man. But yeah, I always talked about like how I've always wanted to be part of the cool group. And for me, like in society, parang, or in high school, parang I wanted to be part of the cool group, right?
Damn.
And I feel like in society, the cool group are whoever is the hip and hoppity generation at the time. Like it used to be the millennials, diba? Now millennials lost their moment in the spotlight. So I think millennials, I don't want to be millennial, they're lame. So now I think the cool sector is like Gen Z. So I'm trying to really grasp or grip at trying to be Gen Z para, I still feel part of the cool club. Parang ganon.
Oh man, grabe yun ah. Intense.
So mag-aura farm ka?
Yeah, yeah, that type shit.
O yung mga sa mga
Kaya ba yung
fight
mga
check
hindi-
chinitas, pare?
So you feel like dapat, aren't you Gen Z?
Yun, I'm in the middle. So, but now I really want to like claim like, no, I'm more Gen Z than anything.
Than anything?
Yeah, because I don't want to associate. I'm scared to be associated with the older group.
Grabe ang intense ng...
Inferiority.
I've never heard this ever.
Yeah, man.
Na
parang
meron kang complex on
being
where
relevant.
you belong. Yeah, oo, na ganun.
Yeah, being relevant. Like not to no
Being
offense.
relevant is always like a thing. Like, parati siyang ganun. Pero like, na-rooted on kailangan ko kumampi sa Gen Z or millennial. Ganun ba?
Yeah, like when I was young, when millennials were the cool group, and I was one of the younger millennials, I felt like the shit. Like fuck you mga boomers, fuck you mga Gen X.
Yeah.
Pero like, being cool doesn't equate, lalo na ngayon, being young doesn't equate anymore to being cool. Like, may mga sikat na matatanda, si Jeffrey Epstein. Diba?
Sabi ko na Sabi ko na sinong pedophile na sabihin ito. Yun nasa utak ko eh.
Pedophile count
Pero
number
like-
one.
I don't think being young equates to being cool. I'm not saying na hindi cool ang Gen Zers.
I think when I was young, I thought stand-up comedians like
Yeah, I love David Letterman.
I thought Conan was really
Yeah.
cool. And I thought parang having this when you're this age, pag mas matanda ka na, is when more people kind of like listen to you just because may credibility ka of experience.
Yes.
So I feel like that's cool for me nung time na yun. Pero ngayon, moving on to it, it's just a lot of shit you've been through. Alam mo yun? Parang ganun
Yeah,
yung
diabetes.
diabetes.
And busted knees.
Pare.
I love the peace you guys have with and the wise.
We have no
mindset.
choice. It's not like kaya na yung bumata dyan. Wala naman eh.
It's not like my Captain America super soldier machine na pwede namin talunan.
Yeah, well.
Maybe that's what I need, like to accept it. Because right now, I feel ko I'm in denial. I'm trying to.
Are you really talaga? I've never thought like someone would really be, kasi it's a real thing for a lot of people. Pero kapag comedian ka, I feel like parang mas wala kang pakialam tumanda because it will give you more shit to joke about.
Pero I think we're thinking it too much in a comedic sense. Eh.
Baka nga.
Kasi
Hindi lang naman yun ang buong buhay mo,
Yeah.
di ba? Tama.
Or maybe I'm too vain.
But here's the thing.
I want to be cool. Look.
I mean,
look
everybody
young.
wants to. At some point in time, meron mga tao na parang, it's not like they're willingly driving their lives into uncoolness,
Yeah.
di ba? Everybody is like,
May sinabi si Judd kanina, and I don't mean to be an asshole when I say this.
Oh
So
shit.
you said you wanted
but
to...
he is one.
No. Sabi mo, diba, you always wanted to fit in, like try to be the cool kid. Why start now, pare? You were never cool naman eh. So it's okay if you never reach that. Kasi you were always...
Huwag ka na magbago dyan, di sinasabi niya.
Like, why now?
Hindi, why not? Why not? Why not now, di ba? Pwede
But
naman eh. Pwede ka naman
medyo-
magsimula maging...
Ba't kayo kapag gusto mong magpa-glow up when you pagpababa ka na, perfect time by the way,
To
yeah,
to what?
to improve yourself na late 30s na. Too late na yan, dude.
Now I guess I always want to be in the glow up state.
You were never in the glow up state.
No, I love, but honestly, as hurtful as Andrew's
It's
words
not,
are,
kasi look at me.
it's
like,
wise. It's pretty wise,
I was a loser.
May point naman si Andre.
High school and college, I never looked handsome. I was always fat. And
Mabaho.
Yeah, mabaho. So, alam mo yung
A virgin.
Puro
Ha?
pimple.
puro pimples. Kaya yung, sige, ano pa? Meron pa.
Wala ba kasi?
May
Tapos na ako.
Got a weird stutter.
So, nung pababa na ako sa roller, weird stutter.
Go.
Galing
Sige na,
pa kay
di
Judd.
na ako nagkasalita si Judd na yun. Ha? Hindi
So,
ako nagsalita.
nung pababa na yung roller coaster, sanay na ako eh. Sanay na ako maging ganito, maging loser, maging unhealthy. So, the
Hindi
fall-
naliligo. Hindi
Hindi
naliligo.
That was so good. I thought we moved on.
Hindi naalala ko siya genuinely.
Yeah.
Go.
Tapos yun. Never naman ako nagka-glow up eh. So the glow down comes easy.
Bakit ba dinadamay si Judd sa shit mo eh? Mas may, gusto niya
trying.
mag-glow up eh.
Kaya nga, take my advice. Kaya nga, advice eh, either you take it or not. Hindi ko naman sinasabi, sumunod ka sa akin dyan.
Hindi, pero ako, nag-gets ko yung point mo.
Okay.
But at the same time, wag naman, like, kung gusto mo ng konting self-improvement, diba? Welcome that fact. Pero kasi, I think, yung kind of self-improvement na di umiyak ka, ginunong ko lang yung mata ko.
Ang toxic ng masculinity.
Sa mga di naliligo, tangin eh, kamo ka lang kamo.
Tumama yung buho kasi ang gulo ng buho ko eh.
Are you reminiscing about your aging?
Hindi.
Or...
Tawag doon, you can self-improve naman. Pero I think kasi, yung fin-racing mo na parang, gusto ko maging part of the cool kids.
The in
The
crowd.
crowd. And then you associate the cooldom with the young folk.
Yeah, they're having the funnest lives. Like, at least that's what media is painting themselves to be like. Oh, all the exciting shit, young people are doing it. All the brands are trying to cater to the young people. Ganun.
Pero yun lang yun, parang it's the generic branding ng mga bata eh. Youth is
Yeah.
associated with freedom, carefreeness.
Fun.
Like kahit tayo,
Wildness,
when we were
diba?
younger, ang mga uso nun, Obey, di ba? Naalala mo yun?
Ha? Olay?
Obey.
Akala ko Olay.
Clara Olay. Yeah.
Hindi, Olay as in yung sabon.
Parang CapCut lang eh.
It's always catered to the younger generation naman. It never changed. We just got older.
Hip, young, cool. Hindi, I think kasi,
Mga FUBU
you
sweatshirts,
feel like you can cling on to youth until 20s mo. And now you're 30,
And
you have
gross.
that label na you're
Yes.
old.
I can't say I'm in my 20s now.
I know, that's true. I know na ganun yun. Pero I've seen a lot of people na mga 40s, 50s na kumaklab pa rin, mga ganong klase.
And that's sad.
That's just sad.
Oh, see, because you don't want to be like that, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, so ngayon, now, andyan ka eh. nasa crossroads ka ng either you fucking...
A cringe
I
old
mean,
person.
may mga tao na parang siguro siya, this 45-year-old dude na nasa club partying with 19-year-olds, maybe he thinks na parang, fuck the haters, pare, ito yung gusto kong gawin. Di ba?
To each their own.
So, ganun din sa'yo. Parang, like, why is it, who set these rules that you can't be young and hip at 30?
That's true. And I feel like the rules nga are medyo skewed kasi, fine, mas exciting yung young 20-year-old life. Pero it's more unhealthy.
Yeah.
Versus...
You're talking about these people na nagka-club,
Yeah.
naglalasing parate, because there are healthy people na young.
But I'd say nga they're acting very 30-year-old. Yung mga those who get enough sleep, who don't club.
Ang weird ng association mo with age and what they do.
Yeah.
I've always thought na people are different. Like, there are different kinds of people doing... Kasi siguro, baka nung 20s ka ba, that's what you did? You went to club, shit like that. You danced, you fucked. Pare.
I lived a very rock and roll life. If I put it mildly.
Sobrang, yun yung pinaka least rock and roll shit na pagsabi ng, yeah, I lived a very rock and roll life. Hindi man lang rock and roll eh. Rock and roll yung sinabi niya. Kompleto eh.
Sinabi mo siya in such a matter of fact way. Yeah, I did some drugs.
I
Nag-enunciate
did
ng
pretty
end,
hardcore
eh.
shit.
Yeah, parang ganun. Yeah. I strangled the hooker once.
What the fuck? Broke some
Hindi, pero
rules.
gets. You were more carefree, more ano.
Yeah, I guess, but I get it. Like, I mean, I guess mali si society na we shouldn't glorify yung mga toxic, unhealthy lifestyles. Like, kasi when I look at 30-year-olds, they sleep early, they run in the morning.
I don't do that.
I think you're just looking at
I'm just looking, I think masyado mong kinakategorize what you should do
Yung
age appropriate
stereotype.
wise.
And who are these like
Oo nga, sino
baka
ang
sa
mga to?
TikTok siguro
Oh,
or sa
TikTok,
Instagram.
TikTok, bro.
These are the people na nasa taas na who kasi if you see it sa social media,
It's all different.
yeah, it's the best versions of themselves na present nila doon.
Okay.
Hindi naman nila ipapakita yung tangin ng naka-boxer brief lang sila tas natutulog hanggang putang inang 10
Naglalaro silang PS5.
Oo.
Ganun. Hindi
They're
na mapakita yun.
They're putting their best foot forward.
The mga
Presenting
ideals.
themselves.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Yun din
So
sabi ng therapist ko sa akin. Nasabi ko kasi parang gusto ko maging tao na parang gumigising ako ng 4 a.m. tapos nagdi-jogging ako tapos na yung araw ko by like 2 p.m. mga ganun klase. Tapos sabi niya, it's very unrealistic.
Pero I guess mali yung mindset ko kasi when I hear that people who exercise and sleep early, I think boring. Pero dapat hindi siya boring, no? Like that's what's wrong with me. I think
No, I think ang mali sa is kinakategorize mo na what you should do depends on you. Kumbaga parang nakabase sa edad mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Oo,
I can redefine what 30 means, no?
You're a comedian, Jen. You're supposed to be an individual, pare. Gets ba? Stand-up comedy is the practice of portraying, parang presenting the world in your point of view. So kapag if you're categorizing yourself conforming and becoming
Yung wala ka sa ng thoughts.
hindi siya magiging it's gonna be detrimental to your craft. But the more individualistic yung sarili mo, the more little things that you find or parang the more little things that you find that you can stand out with, yung mga qualities that you can stand out with, that's when you become a real good comic. Yun yung way mo to stand out, di ba? So dapat, why are you weirdly conforming? It's so weird. But I've never thought of you na parang ganun. I thought you had a really unique outlook.
I'm a very much a people
Wait.
pleaser.
Akala mo confident person si
Hindi ko sinabing confident person, sabi ko unique outlook lang, putang
na
ina.
living in this hardcore rock and roll life.
With my yaya and BF home. Grabe, I just had like a life-changing...
Magka-grab ako sa Toda, pare. Naalala ko kay Jad eh.
Oh, God.
Sabi ko, what a unique person.
Vanilla ice cream to na naging tao eh. Nagtaka ka ba may sense of
I got some sprinkles.
Yeah.
I got some sprinkles, man.
No, I really thought na that wouldn't shake you. Pero ordinary may mga tao na they're not in the field of self-expression. They find themselves in the pitfalls of parang na-categorize nila yung sarili nila or they try to painstakingly carve themselves into the mold of societal norms. Parang ganun yung feeling ko na ginagawa ng mga tao. Pero pag nasa creative expression ka, parang ewan ko parang feeling ko, dapat, that shouldn't rock you. Or parang that
Yeah.
shouldn't like, well, ewan ko, baka talagang takot ka sa, maybe it just shakes you more than
Actually,
kasi ako rin naman, nagtaka rin ako na parang, shit, di na ako yung young guy dito sa...
I think when I turned 40, doon na, like, kasi I had,
When did that happen, sir?
I get,
When
I
you
get,
turned
Judd,
40?
I'll be sympathetic to Judd kasi
You're not 40 yet, man.
You're not 40 yet.
I have this friend.
Teka lang, you need to acknowledge na nagkamali ka na. Hindi kami makamove on. Kasi tuloy-tuloy ka lang, you're just barreling through.
Malapit na ako
You didn't
mag-40.
turn 40.
Malapit na ako
It's
mag-40.
like altering
nga
altering
eh.
reality.
36 ka pa lang, you
Yeah.
still have 4 years of
Yeah.
experience before 40.
Yeah. So
Okay,
I have
okay.
this friend, this lady friend, na she's turning 40 na. And hindi ko alam kung tama. She said, no one cares you're turning 40. Kasi she was conscious about her age. Pero it doesn't matter what people think. It matters what I think. So I guess medyo nakaka-relate ako kay Judd in a way na it doesn't matter what other
Totoo
people
naman
say.
yun. Malaking bagay.
Is that
Oo
how
naman.
you really feel?
Oo
Judd?
naman. Malaking bagay yun.
That you're turning obsolete na by the age of 30. Na parang,
Tinatakot mo lang siya.
hindi, I mean na
It's all
fucking,
downhill from here, man.
makakalimutan ka na ng tao.
Pero I thought the same. Honestly, I thought the
Ay, I
same.
wanna ask-
29 to 30, ikaw ba? 29 to 30, turning 30, you feel like parang, oh fuck, ito na to.
Hindi, 34. Ito yung talaga.
Talaga? Ako nung 29 to 30, I thought it was gonna be shitty.
Not bad.
Tapos, I think I spent my early 30s in the pandemic. So medyo iba yung perspective mo.
Okay.
Pero at the same time, parang yung time na yun, parang pag 30 ka, paano ba to? Ang hirap niyang i-explain eh. May nag-gets ko yung fear. Meron yun. Pero it didn't rock me that. Like, hindi ako nag-dwell on it ng matagal.
Okay.
May ganun talaga siya na, shit, iba na to. Parang nasa ibang parte ka na ng buhay mo. Hindi ka na pwede maging bata. You can't do like silly, like unadult shit.
Yung hardcore rock and roll
Oh,
lifestyle.
Hindi ka na pwede mag-live ng hardcore rock and roll lifestyle.
Can I just say, like, this, I feel like this,
Sobrang hindi convincing.
I've been on this show 4 times. I think this is the most, like, life-changing episode I've ever.
Hindi kasi nasa crossroads ka lang ng career mo.
Oo.
Nasa crossroads ka lang ng buhay mo.
Parang the way you were talking into my ear about, like, oh, like, accepting it and everything. But I was like,
But you have no
ano?
choice, Judd.
Parang, fuck.
You have no choice. Wala ka naman choice kundi tanggapin yung pera. Ano akala mo, pigilan mo yung edad mo?
Well,
Gagawa horror crooks, pare.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
Pero
Ooh,
as cliche as may sound, it's just a number. It's just really just a number naman talaga. I mean, age being na tipong, o dapat matanda na yung mindset mo and everything.
what are you laughing?
Diba?
Yeah, you're right.
Pero at the same time, i-acknowledge mo rin na tumatanda ka na, you're getting unhealthier and shit like that.
That's the hard part for me. Yung parang, oh, I feel the bodily changes na rin. Other than the gray hair, parang like, oh, fuck, I need more sleep.
Yeah.
Dati, like, sleep was optional.
4 hours, no? Okay ka na.
Okay ka na.
Oh.
Afterthought lang yung sleep. Ano pa? Like,
Tumatakbo ka on energy drinks and coffee ko, di ba?
Sobra naman yun.
or, when I run, I notice my 20-year-old brother who just runs so... He doesn't really train, but he runs way
Yeah.
faster.
Parang
ka.
tatay mo.
Like father, like son.
Fuck that guy, pare.
No. I love my dad, love my brother.
Okay,
Look
okay.
at you taking the high road, pare.
Oo nga eh. Look at you. Look at you so mature and 30 years old, pare.
But alright, sige. I like what you said about I can redefine what 30-year-old means.
Everything.
So,
It's not, hindi ka naman bound by rules, pare.
Oo nga, age is just a number. So pwede,
I mean-
kung sinabi ilang taon ka na, 2 star at Dragon.
What Pero what you're doing ngayon is pretty unique, di ba? Isipin mo, meron day job, but you also moonlight as a stand-up
Yeah.
comedian, and you are one of like how many? Like fucking 40 stand-up comedians here sa Philippines. Di ba?
And you do improv.
And you do
I'm
improv.
not used to you guys being nice and genuine. Like, what is this? What's happening?
Hindi, baka matakot ka eh. Baka mangyari sa'yo eh. We will look out for you, pare.
Man, I love you guys.
Meron kang, ikaw stand-up and gilos over ko lang yan eh. Meron kang stand-up and improv background, which makes you categorized as a sucky comedian.
Okay. Okay. Whoa.
Yes, and...
But it's comedy for people who never smoke cigarettes. Eh.
Sobrang lalaki lang eh. Sobrang rockstar. Pare kasi, mga improv para sa mga madalambut. Ganun ba?
Oh
Ganun ba?
my
Ganun ba
gosh.
dapat?
No comment.
Yes,
Yun
and
yun
butots.
yung
Pakita mo
toxic
bayag mo.
masculinity ng stand-up comedy.
Yeah, the fragile.
Now we're just
stand-up
joking
comedian.
naman. Dude, Spit Improv is killing it. They have like, each video has 1 million views. Tapos nakikita ko yung views ko, putang ina 5 shares. So nakaburat eh. Pero they're really killing it and congrats sa Improv, guys.
Ba't kailangan mo?
We love you, improv.
I'm pretty sure improv people can take a joke, pare. We didn't have to fucking... We're friends with those guys.
Yeah.
Sobrang
You don't know
nag-backtrack
now.
si
Oo nga,
Andrew. Mr.
takot ka.
Backtracker.
Hindi, bakit?
Anong tingin mo? Pupunta si Arin dito, sampalin ka niya bigla, ganun.
Dude, kaya kong i-take lahat ng lalaki doon sa suntukan sa Improv. This is like,
Actually,
dinala ko.
parang hindi.
Wait, no,
Parang
wait.
Sobrang gayat na mga improv. Yung take sila Ariel.
No,
Ay, si Ariel.
yeah, dude, that guy is muscular,
Si
man.
Ariel.
Oh,
Si
gulping
Papu
ka
ba?
lang.
Kaya ko si Papu. Suplex ko siya dyan sa table na yun. Eh. O Flamingo mo to.
Si Papu para lang siyang Judd eh. Para siyang same makings of ano.
No, he's cool. He's cooler.
Yes, O
Dude,
Flamingo rules.
He's O Flamingo guy. No?
Yeah, man. But a lot of them are older though than Andren. If you look how Andren has the age
Hindi,
Wala na to,
advantage.
dude. Ang ina.
I have the
fight, in a
endurance of a 70-year-old man.
We talk a big game, pero I'm pretty sure like the average man can beat us up.
Dude, ang hina lang tuhod namin. Diba?
Oh, for
We
sure.
have torn meniscuses.
Nagpa-pant kami pag nagdadala kami ng mga gamit dito,
Yeah.
pare.
You guys are like French bulldogs.
Parang ganun. We have fragile and we have like mga snout na ano. Casually nangulangan si Andren, ladies and gentlemen. Rewind
Okay,
niyo.
makatay,
yan.
makatay.
Rewind niyo.
Sige. Gagano'n ka na. Ang ina, mister, walang nakakalagpas sa kanya eh, no?
Is that a thing where you count when he touches his ano?
Hindi, ngayon lang.
Okay.
Medyo...
Obsessed siya sa akin. eh.
But speaking of a thing on Bago Patulog, by the way, man, you do look like Pedro Pascal.
Thank you.
He does look
That's
like
so
Pedro
stupid.
Pascal.
Niregret ko na lahat of being nice to you, tapos ganito yung gagawin mo sa akin after.
But anywho, I love how we never stop. We haven't really talked about birthdays.
It's your birthday, yung turning 30. That's a...
Okay. I thought we were gonna talk about like, what do you guys like in a birthday? Do you like balloons?
Ano ba? Ganun ba? Magbaballoons ka ba?
May clown?
May clown ba sa special mo? May clown? That would be really
I
funny.
mean,
Nakakatawa yun. Nakakatawa yun. Kung tipong,
You uncomfortable.
yung pangatlong act mo. Guys, ito nga pala. Darating ngayon. Si,
Cookie the Clown.
Cookie the Clown. Tapos, kasi like, super children's party routine lang na naghahanap siya ng mga...
Actually, guys, ayun yung reveal ko.
Talaga?
Cookie the Clown is
Dude.
gonna do a tight 5.
Pag walang clown sa special mo, mainis ako.
Okay,
Proud
wala,
na macho
wala.
dancer, pero.
Wala talaga, wala. But more of I thought we were gonna talk about the concept of birthdays. Like, what was
Oh
your...
yeah, who invented birthday?
Okay, I didn't know we were gonna go that deep.
Nung recent birthday mo, Andre, ayun din eh, pag as you grow older, parang naging insignificant din yung birthdays.
So, nung birthday ko, weirdly enough, nasa probinsya ako noon, tapos nagpainom lang ako doon sa neighborhood.
Do you celebrate your birthdays big time ba dyan?
Yeah. But yes, usually.
Talaga, nagpapakain ka, ganong klase.
Yeah, one time I treated friends to
Friends,
to a spit show. Like I invited all of them, and
Was
then
that a-
I libred them and like,
Magtatampo dapat ako eh.
bakit?
Na hindi ako invite ever. Tapos bilang spit show pala, so go na.
Ay!
Joke lang.
So, after they had a super fun, enjoyable time, okay, tuloy
Yeah,
na.
that's one thing I did. One year I headlined Moe's. I headlined an open mic for my birthday.
Okay, for your birthday.
2023. I don't know what did I do last year? Oh, I did another show last year. Headline Classified. So beyond, it's becoming a thing now. I want to celebrate it. Doing the thing I love the most, pare, which is laughing with the people I love.
Okay. Ako kasi parang ayoko magtrabaho pag birthday ko. Yun yung parang...
How do you like celebrating your birthdays?
I've done a birthday show tagal na. Sobrang tagal na.
Okay.
Kasi usually pag December, puro corporate gigs na eh. So mahirap na mag-birthday show. Parang the last birthday show I did was, kasi parehas kami ni James na December birthday. So we did a charity show no...
Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah. Sa PMCS.
Oh yeah, I was
Tapos
there.
after nun, parang na-realize ko, ayoko magtrabaho ng birthday ko kasi parang kinakabahan ka. Tapos alam mo yun,
I don't need this in my birthday.
alam mo yun.
Yan,
Ewan ko.
yan lang yung trade-off. During my birthday, I'll be stressed. I'll be doing like ingress. I'll be doing like tech rehearsals or whatever.
Yung set mo,
Sound.
iniisip mo.
Yeah, man. And then it'll suck if like I'm not happy with my set.
Oh, isipin mo bumomba ka, no? Oh, what a shitty birthday
Tapos
would that
like
be?
most of my audience members are people I'll see again, like my family,
Oo nga. Yeah, what would
friends
you do that to
from
yourself?
work.
Kaya cancel mo na yung show dyan.
Cancel mo na yung show mo?
I'm announcing that no, I'm not. But yeah, it is hassle. But I don't know. I guess crazy that way. It's the rock and roll in me, man.
Oo nga pala. Mr. Rock and Roll lifestyle to, pare.
Sorry, Ryan Rems.
Oo nga eh.
I'm taking your thing.
This rock and roll lifestyle.
I didn't expect na si Judd pala ang rock and roll lifestyle comedian natin. Lahat ng mga... Ewan ko, baka nga iba. Kasi parang ever since pag comedians, wala na pag may mga bagong comedians, they kind of just do what we do. Parang we just drink a little bit sa bar and then we go a place to eat. Parang ganong klase. Baka kayo nilang mga young people. Nalala ko dati si Isa, parang first time ko siyang mabook sa shows, parang after hindi siya sumasama, magpo-publishon lang siya or something like that.
Para mag-video, okay?
Ganong klaseng shit. Mas ano kayo, mas ganon kayo. No?
I guess, ayun, maybe my generation tries to cling to, being
To party.
young, wild, and free. Baka after my show nga, it's gonna be in Publishon. And then there are other Comedy Manila shows happening at that same day. Baka like we'll all meet up, go to Publishon. You guys are definitely invited.
Layo.
Saan ba yung linya-linya headquarters?
Nasa libis tayo nun.
Sa Libis.
Ay, shit, Saturday
Layo
night
nun.
pa yan.
Ang dami ng kainan dun. Pwede na matapos yung araw natin dun.
Kayo ba, what was the best birthday you guys ever had? Age and then, first age and then first party. Like, what was the best party you've ever had?
I remember this, 24 years old ako. And
Okay.
nagpainom ako dun sa bahay. Kasi 24 was me moving parang last na kami magkikita kasi pupunta na sa Amerika yung tatlong friends namin. So, yun yung talagang hardcore inuman. Tapos, ang nangyari nung gabing yon, lasing na syempre, may nagsindi ng paputok, tapos hinagis.
Unforgettable, Unforgettable.
As in, gago na.
Hinagi sa loob?
Triangle, tapos hinagis.
What the fuck? One of those.
Nakakabingi yun, eh.
Tapos
Sa living room.
ay, nahulog. Patapos naman na yung inuman.
But that doesn't matter.
Tapos,
when you do it.
yung isang guy sobrang lasing, nabangga niya yung sasakyan niya sa gate namin.
Oh, God.
Oh, that's
Yung,
fun.
yung sementong part.
Okay.
Tapos yung isa natanggalan ng sidecar kasi sinapak ng side mirror kasi
Ang
sinapak
dami nangyari.
ng isang barkada
Do
namin.
30-year-olds have that much fun?
Yeah, I
No,
think so.
man.
Meron naman.
But
24.
we were 24 naman.
Pero I used to think, kasi nung I got into comedy very young.
Yeah,
18.
college.
Yeah.
18, fuck.
Tapos, I think mga 19 ako na I got to meet sila GB. Which
GB was like 50 na.
GB was like, he's always been old looking.
He's always been
Oh.
He had more hair.
Pero,
He had more
he
hair.
always
pero
looked the
nung
same.
time na yun,
He
yung
looked-
parang yung tingin ko sa
yeah.
kanya ngayon parang he's just an old guy.
Yeah.
Parang ganun yung tingin ko sa kanya. Pero at that time, he was just 29. So,
That's my age now.
tanda yung tingin ko kila GB, kila Rems, kanyang klase. So kami, maliit lang yung comedy group eh. So minsan pag magkakasama kami, ginagawa ko yung trip nila kasi sila yung may pera, sila yung may trabaho, di ba? Ganong klase. So, ganun yung mga ano. So parang, ewan ko, parang nagkaroon ako ng preview of what they do. And then I was like, it's not so bad. Di ba? Masarap pa rin naman, di ba? May mga times minsan na the young people would hang out like kami nila Ryan, nila Victor. Pero,
It's
Ano
weird.
ba yun?
It's weird thinking about this, Jud, na you always equate younger people for being cool. Wherein nung lumaki ako, sobrang idol ko yung mga pinsan kong matatanda
Ako
na.
din eh.
Yeah, kaya that's a different thing. Nag-ios
Baka
sila,
nga.
nakikinig ng Pearl Jam.
unique yung position niya kasi parang in between millennial Gen Z.
I always looked up to
generation
the older people. They were so cool eh.
And I guess wala akong masyadong older figures in my life.
Oh, panganay
Other
ka ba?
than panganay. Tapos yun, like,
Wala kang panganay na, wala kang kuya na pinsan.
Baka yun.
Baka nga yun.
Baka
Malaking
yun.
bagay
Yeah.
yun.
yeah.
Ako panganay ako pero I had older cousins eh. So, nasa kapit, who lived in the compound din eh. So,
Iba nasa zoo.
Yeah, I never had that feeling na, oh. Oh my God. That was quick.
To be fair, nag-hesitate ako to say it.
fuck you.
Nag-hesitate
Nag-think
ako.
ka pa.
Nag-hesitate ako ng mga 0.3 milliseconds.
Sa akin na sasabihin mo ba, sinaksak kita pero to be fair, dalawang isip dapat.
Oo nga.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, I've never had that feeling pala of like, oh, I want to be like an older person.
Sobrang kumpal na pagkasabi.
No offense to older people, but maybe I should. And I feel like it'll help to cite cool millennials. Like,
Okay.
Regaliero.
Here's what you look forward sa 30s mo. One, you have more money.
Not always true.
Hindi, pero yun.
compared
Talaga
to-
ba?
Huh? It depends on how you
ganun
handle
ba?
it.
Ako parang generally, dapat mas may pera ka kaysa nung early 20s mo than your early 30s.
I was making no money nung early 20s.
Kaya nga, exactly. So wala kang, mas marami kang pera, mas marami kang freedom, you kind of know what you want.
Yeah.
So you don't you experiment less and you get to experience more pleasurable stuff kasi yun yung alam mong gusto mo na. 'Di ba? And then parang people kind of like people kind of trust you more na. Parang ganun. Like people, hindi ka na binabata ng mga tao, alam mo yun. Parang, you know what I mean?
May credibility. And
Yeah, may credibility, ganong klase.
Alright.
Diba?
So much to look forward to naman.
Kasi ito, parang di ka natuwa. Parang those are all lame shit, pare. Except the money part.
Boring.
Pero Judd looks young eh. Like, you don't look 30 naman.
You don't look 30.
Yeah, meron kang handsome bunso.
Rockin'
eh.
Forever 21,
Alam mo yun,
just turned 30. Okay.
Meron kang handsome bunso
It's a
energy.
very old song.
So yeah.
Oo nga, meron kang
Bunso,
bunso energy,
gusto
but
mong
you're panganay.
Gusto kong pisilin yung cheeks mo energy eh. So yeah.
Okay. Oh, thank you. But ikaw, Red, favorite birthday party?
Uncomfortable eh nung
Oo nga,
phrase
hindi mo kinaya.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi mo kinaya yung
silent.
compliment.
Kita like,
Hindi mo kinaya yung weird
praise.
compliment ni. Hindi nga praise yun ang weird eh.
Oo.
It's just a weird thing to say to
He
someone.
said handsome. Like, damn,
Yung
man.
once gusto kong pisilin yung cheeks mo.
Oh, man.
Energy like kasi
Should we make out now or
Oo nga
something?
eh. Yun ba yung mga sinasabi ni Kibuloy, pare? Yun ba yung mga just Kibuloy things yung mga sinasabi mo?
here's your real last dude of the
Sabi mo,
year.
ikaw kasi mukha kang bunso tapos gusto kong pisilin yung cheeks mo.
Ito, nire-read in yung masyado eh.
not
Kasi
that
ako, comfortable ako sa masculinity ko.
Okay.
I like chicks.
Okay.
I like
true.
chicks with vaginas, pare.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
I like pussy.
Oh, pare. Ladies, take note.
Oh,
ah.
ladies,
We got a
take
pussy liker here, pare.
Ladies, I'm available.
I think he even loves it, man. Like, dare I say.
Pero to answer your question, wala namang that stands out.
Na, memorable birthday party or age? Or both?
Wala masyado. Parang lahat. I do a very simple celebration when we can. Kung like yung mga friends ko from, like yung mga pinaka-oldest friends ko from bata kami. We always try to like, parang it's an event that people block out is when pag kumain kami sa bahay and just have like, dati we used to barbecue. Tapos
Sa
kami
house
nag-grill ng food namin, kakain kami. But then we got old and tinatamad na kami mag-grill. So kakain na lang kami.
Sa labas.
Naluto na lahat. Like, papaluto na namin and then kakain na lang kami sa ano. Then dati umiinom kami, ngayon hindi. Dati alala ko, magdadalawang case ng beer pa ako. Tapos ngayon, tangina, parang kahit 6 na beer, hindi pa mauubos. And we're like 12 people. Parang ganun, 11 people. Ganun kami kadami sa ano. So yun, sa bahay namin sa South. Ganun ginagawa ko. So hanggang ngayon, kahit nung bumukod na ako dito sa Pasig, I would say na, doon pa rin sa bahay, we'll still eat sa garahe or something like that. Ganun lang ginagawa pag birthday.
Yeah, Red has no alcohol sa apartment niya, which makes me sad.
The one in the one
Inubos
here,
lahat
Pasig?
lahat ng alcohol ko sa apartment ko is inubos ni Andre.
Okay, that's why pala, bro.
Kasi talagang
Restock naman, pare.
Ano ba yan, Red?
naiinis siya sa akin pag wala akong pag naiinis sa tayo, soju na lang ba meron ka? Ganun. Ayun.
Alright.
Pero yeah, I don't nothing. Parang masaya siya. Pero hindi naman yung tipo, best yung 29 years old ako. Parang ganun.
Damn. Ako naman, I can remember, okay, 23 was one of my best years. 25 was the last year I felt strong, like physically.
Why?
Like, kasi by 26, like, I felt more...
Bodybuilder.
Wait,
ka
nung
pala.
20 to 24, you
Jack
felt
ka
strong?
nun?
Huh?
Were
felt
you
strong?
jacked?
Like, parang, invincible. Parang, like, I don't need sleep.
You don't look invincible. You don't look.
It's called, I said, feel.
Parang pwede kitang i-punch or assassinate ngayon eh.
Parang,
Like, you don't look invincible.
parang 2 HP guy kayo.
Oh,
Parang ganun.
alam mo.
You know what that means?
Yeah, dude, I
You're
play
you're a
Pokemon.
glass cannon.
Oh.
Yeah, dude. That means I have high attack, man.
High attack.
Oo.
But yeah,
High speed.
pwede.
Oo.
Or, you have very Magikarp energy, pare. Kung
Oh.
gusto mo ng Pokemon, Pero malaki titi.
Okay.
Si
I'll
Judd,
take that.
alam mo, I've always thought na malaki titi ni Judd. Sinasabi ko lang.
I think
Like, first impression, I'm like, man, guy big.
because If you're
Who
that
posts-
What the fuck are we talking about?
Who posts a joke a day, pare?
Oo.
and think na this all right. Let everyone read this, pare.
Dude, I want to bring it back
Sabi ko,
tuloy. I want to bring
big
it
dick
back.
energy yun, pare.
Yeah, dude, he's so thin. Doon na lahat pupuntang dugo niya eh.
Oh, hindi.
Sa fucking girthy hammer niya.
Feeling ko may ano yan eh. May third thigh siya eh.
Dude, hanggang sa knee, Judd?
Oo nga. Damn, Judd. Easy lang. Okay.
Oo.
Go. Ano?
Palakol ni Shiva.
What were you gonna
Go.
say?
So favorite age mo? favorite birthday mo?
Wala.
Wala. Okay.
Yeah, even though like as you grow older,
Gusto mo
birthdays,
ng corny answer? Favorite age ko? Ngayon, pare. Totoo. I
Mr.
feel like
living in the moment over here.
oh, Mr. Pari, treat this like a gift because it's present.
kahit
Ass sounding
Mabilis
fucking.
ka.
kahit yung time na sold out shows, tas bilang mag-record ako ng Netflix special.
Sobrang
Yung
humble
mga,
brag
yung mga
lang.
achievements ko na gano'n, tas meron akong movie na leading role. Alam mo yan, mga ganong klase.
Hanggang saan umabot yung Netflix mo rin,
Number 3, pare.
Okay.
Okay, that was, yung iniisip ko yun.
Okay.
Hindi ako masaya nun eh. Stressed ako nun, di ba, Andre?
Sobrang
Alam mo yun?
stress nito.
Oh.
Hindi
ako
lang
masaya
stress
nun.
nung mismong gig na the weeks leading into it.
Tsaka yung after, yung leading to the release. Para siyang torture.
Sobrang cranky.
Even when you weren't doing much, parang you're just waiting lang.
Yeah, man. Yun yung nakaburat dun eh. Give me something to do. Kasi they were like, sila Ryan was like, parang no, you're not doing anything but focusing on your set. And I'm like, I'm ready, boss. Wala na akong can you like let me help or whatever? Wala,
Put me
ayaw
in,
nila.
coach. Put me in.
So, nung performance was like intense. That was one of the best things.
That was great.
Like,
That was a great show.
masaya yun. But like after and before was very. Kumbaga parang my point is, I think every time, kahit in the highest of highs, talaga meron talaga siyang, yin and yang talaga siya eh. Meron siyang equal and opposite fucking annoyance and stress, I would say. Like, di ba?
Like every age
Can you imagine
also.
doing a show, 1,500 seats, ganyan. Don't you think may stress ka marketing all those fucking seats?
Yeah,
Selling all
for
those
sure.
tickets, di ba? O, the same lang. It's the same like, di ba? Yung bigness, yung performance mo ron was like fucking, oh fuck, solid to. With 1,500 people na nanonood sa akin. It's a
Pero before that.
great, di ba? Pero before that, it was like, putang ina. Sobrang hassle.
Kao, pagod na pagod to nung sa gig na yun. Kao, nag-collapse siya eh after the set. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Ito yung
As I
very
was-
first Samsung, no?
Yeah.
Dude,
As in,
hindi na
talagang tinawag, thank God kay Aldo, who was like,
Shout
okay,
out, Aldo.
pagdating ko dun, wala signal yung phone ko. So like, parang shit. Sobrang pagod ko. I need to tell someone na kailangan na mag-egress because mag-overtime na and everything. Tapos buti na lang Aldo and si Tim nang checked on me. Parang they went backstage. Parang, uy dude, okay ka lang. Di ka pa diba? There are like a lot of people waiting for you. And I'm like, I can't move. Sobrang adrenaline dump ako. Tapos sobrang sakit.
Hindi na kami nag-celebrate like diretso uwi na.
I never knew that. Wow.
Kasi kumakain dapat kami after.
Yeah, usually that's what you guys do.
Yeah, we
That's
just nag-drive-thru na lang kami sa Jollibee on the way.
yeah, that's rare na
Me
you guys just went home.
awkwardly there in the backseat. Babaan nyo lang ako dito guys sa Salcedo.
No energy to chit chat.
Wala.
Parang
Pagod.
ganon.
Pagod.
I had a beer bago ako natulog pero that's
That
I
was
mean,
it.
that's
yeah.
your routinary nighttime routine. One beer
Yeah.
before brushing
But
teeth.
One beer. One case of beer.
Do you agree na as you grow older, birthdays become less important na?
Parang nga sa akin,
Mm.
I think sa 30s mo, baka hindi. Pero as you approach like 50s, ganun yung parents ko eh. Parang nung 30s, they don't care about their birthday that much. Pero nung when they're like 50 na, parang mas na ginagawa nila.
I mean, kung umabot kasi doon sa round number, I guess, 50, 60, 70.
Ay, yung ano. I don't know. Baka depende sa tao.
Pero
Have you always thought the birthday was an important milestone sa buhay mo? Ganun?
yeah, and it's,
Do you do the Instagram post na 30? Tapos may mga 20 things na isa-slide ng mga tao to say, di ba?
yeah, I've always made it like a spectacle of some sorts. But I realized I'm comparing it like 25 and below. When I was like every birthday felt like, oh, I'm getting upgraded. Like, oh, I'm leveling up.
Gets.
Parang-
Now you're like,
But I
the way
can't
down.
wait to become 20. I can't wait to become 21. Now I'm like, can I stop? Can we stop?
Yeah.
It's very much like John Mayer, stop this train, pare.
Oh, Buck, I want to stop this conversation right now. Pare.
Stop this train.
Parang Kanye.
What do you mean, Kanye?
Like parang, oh, astig, oh, graduation, oh, astig, oh, beautiful dark twisted fantasy, okay.
Ah!
Tapos mamaya, oh, Jesus, sige, alright, fine, di ba? Watch
by
the throne,
Black Skin,
okay,
yeah.
mamaya. Mamaya, Pablo,
Pablo.
parang okay po. Ba na tayo?
No, it's so good.
Diba?
So good.
I mean,
Jesus
pero
is
like,
king.
Compared to sa graduation.
tas Donda, and then
Dun.
parang, oh my God. Tapos naging MAGA supporter siya. Alam mo yun?
At medyo pataas na siya nun. So,
Oh, that's comeback.
Umangat siya ulit. Umangat siya ulit.
Comeback, if you will. His best work, I think.
yung he said,
Yung
fuck the
nakamaga
Jews.
siya.
His tweets.
Itinry niya
pala.
tumakbong presidente.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
But yun, that's how I feel. Parang, I'm like an iPhone. I'm like the iPhone. It's kind of getting like worse every time na.
Talaga ba?
Or parang dati it used to be a big deal. Like, oh, iPhone.
You're like the iPhone. Gusto ko ihagis sa pader minsan.
Okay. Can we go?
Masama.
Can we go back to talking about my dick?
Yeah.
How big it is?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Okay, cool.
Laki, feeling ko mga ganyan.
Oh, dude.
Okay, never mind.
Gallbladder
She
remover.
okay, never mind.
Let's
Nag-hesitate siya na solid. Sasabihin na niya dapat yung joke eh. Sasabihin niya, well, she knows. Tapos bilang, nag-hesitate ka like mga 2.5 seconds. That would have been funny.
Kasi he knows this is gonna be a conversation later.
So, hindi naman
Oh,
kailangan
no.
in public.
Kasi
It's a grab right
ba't ka ba
now.
nai-impress sa mga matatabang yun?
Yeah. Masyado ka nagpapakul sa mga loser na yan.
Di nga, umabot sa number 1 eh.
Are you worried na
Oh,
he looks
no.
up to people like me, Ali?
Red's my hero.
Nag-worry ka ba na ang aspirations niya is this guy who owns all this?
Dude, your car pa lang, I want to drive a Ford. What do you get?
A Ford Everest.
Everest, yeah, dude. That's my dream car.
That's like a
dream SUV.
dude. It's like that car's really old, like 11-year-old na siya. Yeah. So.
But age is just a number.
Nga, tama. Exactly, diba? Be like a Ford Everest na driven to its death.
Yeah.
You know why I drive a Ford Everest?
Why?
Because I can't afford a new car. Pare.
He drives a Ford kasi he can't afford.
Afford.
Oo nga. Yun yung bagong tagline. Sana ma-sponsoran tayo. Can't afford a Mercedes? Go.
Affordable.
You think they'd like that? Nasa brand guidelines kaya nila maging accepting of their stature na hindi sila luxury brand or something.
Ford, mahirapan kayo makahanap ng pyesa.
Hindi na ngayon.
Hindi na ngayon.
Ayan. Okay.
That was a shitty sidebar. No?
But yeah. So Red's my hero. I also look up to Andon. He's like my big bro.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah, man. And their dicks are also big.
It's
Not as big as yours,
Side.
man. Pretty sure.
We're talking like we've all seen each other's dicks.
We have may dick
And we
may
have
dick radar ako eh.
Okay.
Usually fat
Actually, yun yung superpower ko eh.
Oo.
May X-ray vision ako pero sa TT lang.
What a useless superpower.
If you need someone to accurately measure someone's dick, you call me. Actually,
That's your service.
that's where most of my money comes
That's how you paid for
from.
this.
I'm a consultant for dicks, pare.
All the girls go up.
Yung mga Illuminati na mga tao na nag-scout ng mga malalaking tite para gawin nilang boyfriend. Yeah. That's me.
That was you.
Yeah, that's me.
You're
Dick Scout. It is I. Dick Scouter 69.
Dude, Dick Scholar 69 on Reddit. That's how I met my last boyfriend. Never mind.
Okay na. Tama na. Kaka-yes end mo eh.
Oo.
Minsan kailangan mo tumigil eh.
Oh,
Alam mo yun?
minsan, stop!
Sabi
Sabi ko, stop!
ko, stop.
Kimulo yun, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Siya yun.
Yung weather.
Yung
Yung weather.
sabi ko,
Pinigilan
stop.
daw niya yung typhoon.
Yan pa yung charming siya nung wala pang allegations eh.
You know a lot about Kibuloy, man.
Of course, bakit? Di ba importante na dapat i-bring siya to justice, Judd? Palagpasin lang natin yung ginawa niya, Judd Gregorio.
Oo nga. Na-wanted siya ng FBI.
Oo nga, Judd.
How's your How's your getting old? Like, do you now...
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I have a feeling na sobrang... I think we've been very good with the topic for the past probably 8 releases, siguro.
Oo.
Ito talaga. We've
talaga.
touched on it.
The chaos.
Kasalanan si ni Mr. Ayo yan magbigay ng concrete answer.
We've touched on it siguro probably like 4% of the time that we spoke. Oh, okay.
Kind of like Kibuloy. Oh, hey!
Meron ka bang mga significant old people shit? Like ako, when I approached my 30s, I got like really into like the news and politics and shit like that. Ikaw ba?
I think it's a lot about health na. Parang I feel like, fuck, I have to care about sleep. I have to care about not just the sleep itself, but okay, I need to lessen my caffeine before I sleep because my metabolism slowed down. I got fat, dude. Okay, I think this is the wrong.
Oo nga eh.
I think, oh shit. This
We all
is the wrong.
wanna beat you up.
This is the
Okay.
wrong.
Pero
show.
you got fat? Kasi talagang...
Dude, admit, like, even Alexa joked about it in our show when we opened
Pero,
for you.
Kamukha may Men in Black na aliens na.
Yes.
siya, eh.
Okay, yeah.
Kasi he got fat, pero hindi kumalat yung fat, nandito
Dito
lang.
lang.
Oh, fuck, you see it?
Oo nga.
Don't
Dude,
look,
mukha
guys.
kang-
Don't look.
Mukha kang adult sa Rugrats. Like, di ba ganun yung katawan nila? Like,
Ganun yung pagka-drawing.
oh,
eh.
yeah, very thin pero malaki
Can I-
siya.
A very
Oh my
unimpressive body. Parang ganun.
I want to use that. I want to ask if I can use it, but I want to lose the belly. So,
Okay.
that it
Shaped
used
like
to
a
be...
beaker.
Last time I saw you, when we did a show sa Titos, you look really stressed.
Yeah.
Parang
Oh
feeling ko
my
ba-
God.
bago ka pa lang sa job mo nun, so di ka
Yeah,
pa naka-adjust.
Yeah, Ali was there too. We both had laptops.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Pero ngayon, there's significantly less
Yeah,
eye
yeah,
bags. Ano nangyari?
Yeah.
Nag-adjust ka?
I got assigned less toxic brands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gets.
But then, I feel like as I grow older, I realize I can still be peak, this like Greek god, pero it takes more maintenance.
When you say it kasi, it sounds so unimpressive eh. Alam mo
What?
yun?
I can
Tas
be
parang
this-
napaka-superlative na sinabi niya, pero pagkasabi niya
God.
parang wala lang.
Yeah, I can be this specimen of human
Mga
apex.
tipong Adonis, mga ganun.
Basta I still have, perfect genes, but now it
Mm.
takes upkeep. It takes upkeep. Parang, oh shit, I have to work out even more.
Mm.
I have to watch what I eat. I lessen carbs now. I still have this,
The flap.
the 9-month baby here.
Graduated cylinder body. So, yeah.
Hassle ba? Hassle ba maging mataba dyan? Do you feel the pain of being fat?
When I saw my belly, I was like, oh my god, I gotta join the fat comedians
Mhm.
lineup na.
Uh,
Yeah. Coming for your
Mga
title.
gulong taba.
Oh,
Ganun.
cool.
Siksik sa tawa.
Siksik sa
Parating
tawa.
may fat
Gulong
thing.
taba. Tapos lahat sila Peter Griffin.
Oh,
Ah.
parating may fat sub. Parang
Ang cute nun!
Bill. Aalog ang Bill.
Oo.
Sa kakatawa. Parating may fat thing attached.
Parating ganun.
Ano ba?
Maglakad papunta sa venue.
Ano pa sa age?
Wag na.
Wag na.
Wag na. Alam mo, wag ka na mag-30.
Oo.
Yeah.
You have a choice.
Yeah, you can stay 30 if you kill yourself.
I think if you if you tell people what I was gonna go for is not self-harm.
I was
Yes,
joking.
we don't.
Depresso.
Support that.
I was I was gonna say, if you told me na you were just turning 24, I would have believed you.
I can't lie, man.
Kaya
You
nga,
have the body of a grade 6 student, dude. Don't
nga.
worry.
I have the pants of grade 4.
Oo nga eh. Literally, no? Sa ano ba yan?
Fun fact, this is my mom's pants. This is from...
What an uncool thing to say.
See? I used to be rock and roll. Now I wear a size women's
You have
Uniqlo.
mom ass.
Fun fact, this is my mom's pants.
24-year-old Judd would never say that. Remember the Judd who talked about sandwiches?
Wala na.
That guy
Wala na
is
siya.
gone.
That was like a year ago.
Yeah, that was just like 2 years.
2 years ago? Okay.
2023, man. I was 27.
You're so different na, Jad. Grabe.
I run now.
Yeah.
I run now, dude.
Oo nga, oo
That's
nga.
such a 30s thing.
It's not a 30s thing. I know a lot of people na young and runs.
Tatay mo nga,
There-
runs.
Ilan taon yung tatay mo na tumakbong kayo?
I don't know. I was like 26 years old.
Oh.
26 years ago. So baka joke lang. 30-something siya. Early 30s.
okay.
Baka same age as you guys.
Nakikita ko yung background mo. I got royalty, you got loyalty.
It's not black, man.
Oo nga eh.
He's dark skinned though.
Okay.
He played a lot of golf.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm giving you guys
Oo nga,
comedic
thank you.
gold here. Like,
I met your dad. Na-meet ko na yung dad mo. So I know what he looks like.
When was this?
Sa Mo siguro or something. Yeah.
So
I
weird.
know.
It's so weird if you you met him for coffee sometimes. Man.
Ayun ba yung inisip mo? Sinabi
Right
ko?
now?
Ganun.
No. It'd be
No,
weird.
actually, like
Change
every
the
week
subject.
nakikita
It's
ko.
He sees you more than
Nainis ka ba pag ganun?
He sees
Actually,
you more
every
than-
he checks up on me, ganun, and everything.
You're the son I never had.
Pinapautang niya ako for business stuff. mga ganun.
I wish Judd was this kind of comedian.
Yung mga theater shows ko siya nag-fund. Yung mga,
Oh, one of my biggest hangups for not having a dad, it's not other than the emotional shit and the mental shit, it's the money, pare. Like imagine.
it's not like my dad gives me a lot of money all the time.
No, but imagine if I lived in a 2-income household. Like my mom did fine being alone.
Okay.
Like she sent me to good schools and shit. Imagine if I had two of
You said you
those.
have 2 schools pa.
Yeah.
Oo nga. You can be both in LaSalle and Ateneo.
Oo.
Yeah, at the same
At the
time.
same time. Wala,
Ayun lang.
double income eh.
Ayun,
Ganun ba?
That's a nice.
Nah, ano ka ba? Be great for your mom sent you to Ateneo. Ano ka ba?
Wow, you guys are so genuine, man. You guys are so real. I
Well,
love
pare,
it.
mukhabang sandwiches yung topic natin ngayon. Pare, tungkol sa growing old ng tao. Sorry, ano ba? Birthday.
Birthday.
Ang ina kasi mga topic na may ano pa eh. May residue pa nung
Kanina.
seriousness kanina eh. That's why.
Bro, I love this topic. I love this topic.
Okay. Yeah. So,
So,
mahilig ka ba sa hotdog na nakakabit dun sa
favorite.
Yung may
sa cabbage?
Tapos may marshmallow, pare.
Mahilig kayo dun.
I hated that shit.
Okay. Well,
I didn't.
that's our episode.
Yes,
mga-
thank you so much, guys.
Wala na.
Yeah.
What else is there to talk about
What
after
was-
this?
What is your favorite birthday food?
I'm actually very hungry na.
Okay. It's
Okay.
10 o'clock. We haven't had dinner, pare.
What? Oh shit! It's 10 o'clock.
If you came here earlier.
No.
Hindi naman. I don't think that would have made a difference. If you came here earlier, siguro mga 9:45 lang ngayon. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay lang yun dyan.
But yeah,
Don't
this
worry.
is very fun.
Yeah?
I love.
It was
being-
fun.
I love being on. I love you guys. I love being a friend to the podcast.
Yeah, oh.
And I'm honored that I'm the first.
Actually, surprised ako na hindi mo iniisip na pwede ka mag-promote dito. And I had to message you na, yeah, you wanna promote your special here. Parang ganun.
Actually, I thought this was the big guns land, and I thought, okay, I'll save this when I do
You
like.
can do it now, and you can do it again when you have a bigger show.
Oh.
Yeah. It's always, you always welcome here. Si Andren actually yung may ayaw.
I always say
binibito niya.
Hindi,
Binibito niya.
pwede ba mag-guess si Jed? I always go, parang hindi siya no.
Let's call.
Oh, pero
have you called
bad trip
Ray?
pa sa akin the next week niya ako kausapin. Parang ganun.
If
Every time nag-guest ka, hindi niya ako kinakausap for another week.
Kaya kasi you're stealing my spot, dude.
No, nagtatampo siya.
nah, dude,
You're
you're my
happy na you found a girl na dude.
dude. You're my idol when it comes to co-hosting, man.
I don't
Alam mo
like
dyan,
it.
tinry ko mag-keep up with the compliments, pero ang hirap talaga eh, honestly.
When I became a co-host, man, I was like, my model is none
That's a
other
terrible,
than Mr. Wackity Do himself, man.
That's a terrible.
terrible
Andrew
ano.
Bernardo.
Pero ang techniques, no, kung co-host ka lang, just nod and agree. And then mag-snipe ka lang ng fat joke every
Oh.
every
Just
10
make fun of
minutes.
the host a bit, dude.
Minsan nakikita ko siya, pag may kausap, may totoo kaming guest.
Wow, this is going
Dude,
off the rails.
nakatingin lang sa malayo. Eh.
Hindi.
Nakaganon lang siya. Tapos bila mamaya, pag may lull na balak,
Hindi ba yan yung trabaho?
Bakinig ka naman sa amin, puta. Anyways,
Huwag mong ipakita masyado yung sauce. Mr. WW Unreal.
Sorry.
WW.
Masyado akong pinulback yung curtain,
curtain.
pare. God. Alam mo, Jad,
Yo,
na yung 30 ka na, well, eventually maging 30 ka. Or kailan mo maging 30, actually? Sa day itself na yun?
if I say that,
Oh, you know what? Like, pero hindi dun. Like, around the vicinity.
fine, I'll say it. It's on this day itself.
On day itself?
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to be proud about that, but I'm worried about scammers. Now they know exactly my birthday. It's okay.
Ewan ko anong ini-imagine
Yeah.
mo pa how do scammers work, Jad. Like, parang shit, alam ko na yung birthday niya.
Oh, so yung pin, pin na lang niya.
Baka yung password mo, yung password mo, birthday mo?
No.
Oh, yun pala eh.
No.
You have
but
nothing to worry
They can
about.
get my name. With AI, they can get my voice and face. And then now they can feed my birthday somewhere.
Grabe yung paranoia mo. nga eh.
That's why, man. I
Oo
worry
nga eh.
about...
You are getting old, pare. Oh, you've
That's
never had
true.
that much paranoia before. Depression, yes, pero paranoia.
Parang I'm aging with more worries, man. If you guys had a birthday wish for me, can I ask? A very narcissistic last
Sige,
question.
let's go.
What
I was
would
prepared
be...
to end this episode kanina pa.
But let's end it on a very narcissistic
I wish you would
tone.
kill in your set, pare. Yeah. That, kung hindi ka kung bumomba ka na, would be really shitty birthday. Pero kung bumomba ka, gusto ko aminin mo. Ayoko yung mga fucking halfway bullshit the comics do now na parang, pag hindi, okay naman, nakuha ko naman sa dulo.
Yeah,
Really?
hindi mo sila nakuha sa dulo.
Really? Or maybe the crowd sense na bumomba ka kaya tumatawa na lang sila para umalis ka na, pare.
Yeah, if
You know,
your strongest applause was when, "Hi, that's my set." That's not a good set.
Hindi
Oh,
count
thank God.
Hindi count yung palakpakan naman kung
Yeah, that's
may
a-
batang 90s dito tapos pumalakpan. Hindi yung applause break, pare. Hindi yung counted. So, yeah. I wish you really kill. As in solid kill. Tapos tumaas yung confidence mo. Tapos mag-quit ka sa trabaho mo and join us. Join. become who you're born to be. A stand-up comedian na full-time na magkakaroon ng financial problems.
Oh,
That's
yes.
it. Yeah.
I love that. Thank you, Red. Ikaw, Andren.
I wish you genuine happiness. Like every time na
Asap.
paggising mo, like as in fulfilled ka talaga every
That's,
time.
you know that's not gonna happen, pare.
But kaya nga wish eh.
Oo nga naman.
As in every day you wake up, fuck, I made it.
Pero,
Damn, dude.
if you're genuinely happy, you won't have material anymore. So,
No, that's bullshit. I don't believe that.
walang totally happy guy na
You need
naging magaling na,
struggle.
yeah, you need struggle. And
Little annoyance.
Annoyance. Ganun.
Fucking si Bill ka. Ay, hindi. Bala, sorry.
Lahat.
Yung parang walang drinks sa condo ni Red, yung parang ganun, yung mga problems like that.
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
Pero yeah, sige. Ako rin, I wish you genuine happiness. Pero a little bit, siguro mga 80% lang. It's a good balance.
Okay. Parang may little bit for the comedy.
Oh, pag masyado ako masaya, I feel like that's not a good life. Ano ba yun?
That's true.
Ah.
You need a little rock and roll.
Yeah. Alam mo namang rock and roll lifestyle.
Oh,
ka, pare.
ayun.
Alam mo, Judd, as you grow old and you embark on this journey,
What's this? Parang
you
retreat?
you
High school retreat?
you have to remember na age is growth. But also, don't lose that youth, pare. Don't lose the youth that
Don't
you
say-
are known for.
Don't say 30 years old, 30 years young. Pare.
I hate this.
And don't say,
This is what you do every time.
this is
we
what
talk
you do.
to you.
Masaya? Masaya
masaya,
ba?
masaya,
Masaya ba?
Is this like an intervention? You guys have been nice the whole time?
30 years na nasa mundo ka, isipin mo, it's another year na magiging buhay ka pa. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya maging buhay ka pa. Pag 31 ka na, 31 years na yun. So, pag 32 na, 32 years na yun.
Right.
Yan. So, it just goes on.
Mm.
And then, wala siyang katapusan.
How many brothers fell victim to the streets? Life goes on.
Okay, yun. So, yun.
Sorry.
I
Every
love you
year,
guys.
adds a number sa age mo.
Oo.
Okay.
That's how years work.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi ko kayang mag-I love you sa lalaki kasi alam mo naman macho.
Come on, then. You're in touch with your, You're in touch with
I
your...
love you, dude.
Nahirapan siya dun.
I'm hard right now.
Okay.
See, make it, ito eh,
Make it
ginagawa
about
niyo
yourself
sexual,
Make it about yourself
Ginagawa niyo sexual eh.
This has been a very painful episode.
Yes!
Sobrang,
want it other way.
promote your show formally, pare. You have this camera, and this camera.
Hot one.
Actually, John, dito lang actually. Meron.
Ending na hot ones, gano'n, di ba?
I see the lone tripod. Hey, what's up, Judgmentals, Wacky D-Doers, Bago Matulogers, everyone in between. I invite you guys to my birthday show called Judd Gregorio and Friends present Birthday Man, a stand-up and improv comedy special happening on August 23, my actual 30th birthday at Poblacion Makati, specifically Ma'am Sir at Unwind Boutique Hotel. Ayan. Tickets are available at comedymanila.ph. I think I said everything. That's pretty much it. And I will try to reveal something now.
Ano?
I will have...
Pag ito hindi sobrang groundbreaking, maiinis ako.
I will be launching my new improv duo.
What?
Yeah,
Talaga?
I'm
that's
forming a
actually-
new
With who?
group. Huh?
With who?
They're in this room right now.
Si Andren?
Ali!
Oh, si Ali.
Yeah, my
Ah.
girlfriend Ali is gonna be...
We're do an improv boyfriend-girlfriend thing?
Yeah, because as we all know, Ali's also an improviser. So I was like, oh, you know,
you partake in the arts.
she dabbles.
Oh,
no,
okay.
she not just dabbles. She
So you'll do a
dives.
boyfriend-girlfriend improv
Yeah.
troupe.
And yeah, because we date all the time, so might as well, use that chemistry to dethrone spit, pare.
Alam mo maangas kung nag-away lang kayo.
Yeah.
Na,
Hindi pa pati mo ni SM dito, mga ganong klase.
but that's
And the audience is just, they're awkward as shit, dude.
Dude.
but if we fight on stage, that's just you guys, your thing in Bago Matula.
Well, hindi naman kami, we don't fuck each other. So
Yeah, dude.
that's,
Okay,
that's
okay.
also
We see
fine.
each other once a week.
Pare.
If not-
Nakalimit yun. Yung
Yeah.
aming... Pag nakita ko si Andren 3 consecutive days, nabuburat ako. As in, bumababa yung sperm count ko. Ganong klase.
Yeah, kasi I've inhaled most of it.
Wait, why?
Kinakain. Tapos,
Wait, can you guys admit it on camera na you guys are each other's best friends?
Andre,
Hindi siya
pwede
totoo
tayo.
eh.
Hindi siya totoo eh.
Guys.
Oh, you don't want to admit it,
Hey,
man.
I'm so hungry na can you?
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, so
We also have shows,
Yes,
pare. On the same time that Judd is doing special, we're also gonna be doing
Very cool
our
stuff.
show sa Linya Linya. We have no improv. Sorry.
Pero may dog show pagkatapos. May mga pet tricks silang gagawin.
May agility training yung mga ganun na pets and everything.
Seryoso ba?
Stupid
Yeah,
pet
we're just
tricks.
trying to fucking upend your show. Darating si Lenny Robredo, mamimigay siya ng treats.
Tutugtog yung
ganun.
Cup of Joe and
Oh,
Lola Amor.
Lola Amor.
Gagawa sila
So,
ng bagong single.
Magre-reunion yung River Maya.
Oo.
Yun yung
Original
mga-
lineup.
Original. Tapos, at the end of the day,
May dance number lahat.
may dance number lahat. Lahat kami. Lenny, si Chel Jokno.
Very
Ah,
choreographed.
Chell's there too.
Chell's there
I
too.
just watched lang.
Chel, si Undertaker. Pupunta si Undertaker.
Si Mark Calloway
Si
ba?
Mark Calloway. Undertaker of wrestling fame.
Fame,
Yeah.
okay.
oh.
Sure, that's gonna cost a fortune. My tickets are just, naglaban.
No.
My tickets are just
Actually,
$650.
libre.
bro.
Libre siya yung buong show.
Libre.
Libre yung show. Actually, papakita mo lang na bumoto ka last election.
Yes.
Okay na.
So, di ako makapunta.
And it's somehow donating to charity also.
Yeah, yung show namin actually will help the Angat Buhay
Yes,
Foundation.
and funding cancer research for
Cancer research. Yeah.
people with pancreatic cancer.
Even if it's a free show. Even if
Yes.
it's- ah,
We'll pass the hat.
Yes.
I can't beat that.
Pas yung hat namin yung hat ni Undertaker.
Oo.
Would you want to donate money an
So
Undertaker's
those
hat?
kids won't
Yes.
rest.
But it's for a good cause,
Yes,
guys.
for a good cause.
Sobrang lahat ng cause. Actually, pwede pa kayong mag-suggest kung anong cause.
Lahat ng cost.
Lahat ng cause. Lahat ng
World
cause.
peace.
We're helping both Palestine and Israel.
No!
joke lang.
Oh my God. All right, then go to
Free
their show.
Palestine, pare.
All right, I lost. I can't. beat that.
September 27, PWD Tumawa, Pwede Tumawa. So lahat ng mga physically and mentally disabled comedians na may tight 15 are gonna
Sobrang grabe ang qualification.
have that show.
Surprisingly a lot.
Yes, and the show was supposed to be named Kafansanan, but we went with Pwede Tumawa na lang kasi it was more of a positive thing. Brick Wall, September 27, comedymanila.ph for ticket.
Para mas maganda yung isa.
Hindi pwede.
Diba?
Mas maganda yung Pwede Tumawa eh. Mas nakakatawa yung Kafansanan. Pero it's like...
Marketable.
Yeah,
mas
mas
marketable
yeah.
yung 3D.
Pero may kapansanan naman kayo lahat eh.
Yeah, meron nga.
Oh.
You guys
Pero
can
do
get
they
away
know
with it.
that based on the title?
You know, I never thought na like, alam ko, may theme shows ng stand-up. Like, yung mga konyo guys, mga marataba, mga babae, di ba? Pride show, di ba? Never naisip na. Oh, let's do a show na lahat tayo may PWD discount card.
Yeah.
Well, yun.
Shout
That's
out.
comedy for you. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thanks so
Andren.
much. Guys, pwede na tayo matulog.
Uy, wow! Natapos niya yung podcast episode.
Blabidi, pare.
Ay, isa ka sa mga taong nagtatapos ng episode. Tapos, gusto ko lang sabihin, hindi naman sa nagagalit kami. Napanood nyo to ng libre.
Yes.
Tama ba?
At hindi tayo kumikita sa podcast, di ba, Red?
Tama, hindi kami kumikita sa podcast. Pero kung gusto nyo kaming kumita at bumalik at we keep doing these free episodes, sana manood kayo ng stand-up comedy shows namin.
Oo.
Pumunta kayo sa
comedymanila.ph.
comedymanila.ph para makita ang schedule ng shows ng Comedy Manila across the Philippines.
Guys, at hindi ko kayo satisfied sa show, ibabalik ni Red yung pera nyo. 100% money back guarantee.
Hindi yun totoo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
comedymanila.ph.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.